Alright. Nice. Oh, it's tough, man. But Whew. Oh no. Oh, hi. Yo, what up, dude? Oh, hi. Thanks, guys. What up, boys?
Let's all run every game.
Alright, you guys ready for real life? Are you ready for real life tactics? You guys ready for real life tactics? He's thinking about it.
Everyone get MVG and then I'll later.
Alright, let's use real life tactics, guys. Oh shit. Yep. Hold on. Oh, here he goes. Yep. Oh dear. Okay. Ugh. We're using an M4 Super 90 because we like to blast them. I don't even know which map this is. Oh, look at the lighting. Beautiful, folks.
Down. Looks like they
Oh.
Reporting. Copy. Entry team, proceed with mission.
Hands up now! Police, hands up! Get on the ground now! The suspect is expired.
Talk to high ground.
Claire. Oh shit, we got 3 multiple entry points. You guys want to split or go the same? Go the same. Let's do it. I can barely hear you. You guys' voice is really low. Oh, there. Damn it. Of course, when I hit it. When I hit it is when it happens. Oops.
pigs are here. Fuck the gun. Hands up. Stop it now. Get down.
Shot him in his balls.
Put your hands up.
Hands up. Above your police, get down. Put your hands up.
Don't make this ugly.
Hands in the air. Hands up.
Wanna loosen these cuffs a bit?
Hands up.
Yeah, tell it to the judge.
This is talk.
Hands up. Do it
Roger
now.
that,
Put your
entry
hands
team.
up.
Tag him and keep moving.
Down,
Hands
put your
up,
hands
now!
Get down, put your hands up.
Now, drop your knees.
Get down and put your hands
I
up.
want to see hands.
This one's secure.
Fuck.
You aren't in trouble. Don't.
Talk
Police,
to high
hands in the
ground.
air.
Roger that. Trailers incoming. Proceed with caution.
There's another tunnel down here, guys. In this left side here.
Hands up now.
Yeah, it goes deep to the... Oh shit, it really goes deep. This one goes down more. Uh-oh. We got a complex maze of underground tunnels here. Oh shit.
Officer down. Possibly. Arms.
Stun out. Oh, he took it. He took it. Oh, innocent suspect took it.
Entry team.
He survived.
Hands up now.
Oh no.
Hands up now. Get
Oh,
down and
no.
show me your hands.
This is terrible.
Police,
Fun.
hands in the air. Arms outstretched.
That,
Police, hands up.
jeez. That was a very serious situation, folks. Serious. I better fill up my coffee.
Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Fuck.
Hands up now. Put your hands up. Get on the ground now. Get down. I want to see hands.
Damn it. I can't even take a second break here for my coffee.
Hands up. Put your hands up.
What do you want to do my coffee here?
Hands up. Put your get down. I want to see hands.
30 oh dear. Can't even take 30 seconds, folks. Ah, shit. This is really what we're gonna do here, folks.
Talk to high ground. Roger, entry team. Notifying medical.
Hands in the air.
Hands up. Above your head.
It's cleared.
Get down and.
Hands up. Hands up.
Oh, he tried to draw. He tried to draw.
Hands up.
Suspect neutralized.
Talk to
Put your
entry
hands
team.
where.
Trailers inbound.
Oh, jeez. Oh no, we got another one down. Fuck.
Officer down. Ready evac.
Folks.
Talk to
Police,
entry
hands in the air.
team. Copy that. Trailers incoming.
Hands up.
Arms outstretched. Hands.
Oh, jeez.
Roger that, entry team. Tag
Hands
him.
up.
Keep moving.
This is the police. Hands
Get
up.
down. I want to see
Hands in the
up.
air.
Oh my goodness.
Arms outstretched.
I mean,
Get down.
whoa!
Arms outstretched.
Oh shit, you okay?
Police, hands up. Hands up. Do it now. Police, hands up.
Hands where I can
Police,
see them.
hands up. Hands up. Do it now.
They're here.
Hands up. Hands up.
Get down and show me your hand. Put your hands where I can see them. Tell it to someone who cares.
Tight.
Talk to entry team. Copy, entry
Roger
team.
that.
Notifying
Oh shit,
trailers
there's a trap.
Police, hands up!
They're here.
No! Fuck. Yo, man, that's crazy.
Mission objective failed. Roll in.
Oh shit, let me check, guys. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Yes! I had a feeling you're here. What's up, brother? Yeah, man. Fucking ran out of weed, bro. I had to be smoking. Well, I had my one last hit off a bong, but now I'm like, man, am I gonna have to break down roaches? Fuck. You know. But yeah, man, how you doing? I don't know why my freaking I have to make me coffee. Hold on. I fucking love this game though. It's so crazy. So crazy. Shit. Is it? Maybe I should have done all this shit before I started. But mate, okay. I think he's got to move it up. It's okay, it's okay. Oh shit, they load. No. Did they load it? Oh yeah, I forgot. The night shift, nice. Alright. I will. Hold on. I don't know why this shit doesn't show up on my whatchamacallit? It doesn't show up for some reason. My on Twitch. Like, why would it? Like, none of the chat shows up. It's weird. Okay, now I see it. That's so fucked up. Yeah, this game's dope, bro. Let me roll up. Not a roll up, but break down a little bit of bong material. It's so sick that I'm using roaches to be able to get this effect. You know what I mean? Fucked up. But hey, whatever works, right? Still hash in there, or not hash, I mean the weed in the roaches. In fact, these are hash roaches, so I think I might get some decent piece of hash in there. I'll throw it into the, because it's gonna take me 3 days if I needed cake, man. Just the shit to settle or whatever. But whatever, man. I'm just gonna go broke for another weekend, and it's so shit though. It's like I wanted a time. If I could have pulled it out, some cake before Christmas, but I couldn't. And it's like today's what, Thursday, so yeah, it's over the weekend. No big deal, man. I just won't be able to be smoking weed on Christmas. Jeez. You know? It's sad, but hey, man. C'est la vie. You know? At least I can celebrate that I didn't get corona, man. Fuck, bro. I honestly thought I was gonna get it because of fucking Jordan, man. Like, damn. And ironically, the only reason I saw him that day, this last week, was for weed. You know what I mean? Like, he said he had some weed, and he's like, yeah, man, I'll hook you up, come by. I'm like, fuck, man. I was like, yeah, sure, man. Either that or I'm gonna be taking a couple days off of the weed smoking. Oh shit, what's that? Hold on. Brother, no! Oh man. Fuck, bro. I love you, man, but shit, I don't want you to. You work hard for your money, bro. That's why I want you to spend on you. You know what I mean? You gotta treat yourself. Forget about me, bro. Like, you already hooked me up, brother. Seriously, fuck, man. Man. Bro, much love, man. Much love, bro. And I swear, I'm gonna have to get you back, man. Man. Fuck. Oh, man. Seriously, bro, that's... I hope you can be treating yourself, man. Seriously, because you're working like crazy hours, man. A lot of hours, crazy hours, but good for you, man, you know? It's just better to be stacking and keeping yourself occupied, right? Like, man. Fuck, I really wanted to make trading my job, man, but ever since July, man, it's just been tapering off. And I'm talking to a bunch of other investors. Same shit, man. Everybody's portfolio is pretty much in the red. Cheers. Oh, that's harsh. Ooh. Very harsh. Folks. I'm gonna minimize my smoking now because of this shit. Ooh. Yeah, man, this bong ain't making it smoother. Folks. You know what I love about this game, though? It's like real fucking... You use real tactics, man. Like real SWAT tactics. So it makes it fucking pretty dope. Oh yeah. Holy moly. But I like my titling for this game. You see that shit? Eh? I was like, man, I'm kind of back on that spiritual vibe again, you know? So I was like, man, look at that. Ready or Not is a fucking title of the game. But yo, I was just thinking this is a fucking religious quote that always sticks in my head. Faith over fear. And yo, man, that's why I threw it in the title. And look at this situation here. We're going in like a SWAT team, handling a real crisis. And people died, man. It's a scary freaking job. You know? It's a scary job, man, being a fucking... Like I don't want to die either, you know? So I'm like fucking trigger freaking, you know, quick to the trigger, man. But you're gonna kill innocent people sometimes here. Fuck, I hate. I should do fucking yoga every morning instead. Oh yeah. So yeah, let's see. I'm gonna see if I can find another session here. This is dope. Yeah, it's just because the realism and the type of theme, you know, like what else is a cooler fucking theme than going in as a cop and busting out motherfuckers, you know what I mean? Like, whether it's like drug bust, hostage taking, or, you know what I mean? It's all real scenarios. So it's pretty dope. And you're supposed to be like realistic about it, but you know. Yeah, buddy. And it's good online like co-op concept. Hey, if you fucking get a game, bro, this is the game. I'm telling you, I'm like, because you go in a group of 5 of all your friends or whatever, and honestly, it's so dope because we're playing out as cops. You know what I mean? Like, it's fucking dope. Going in like a crew and busting caps, you know. And it's not just run and gun, like just not realistic shit, you know. That's the whole point. Makes it really immersive, you know. Oh, really? Yeah. You know what? That's what I want to do too, and it definitely will help. But you know what's fucked up, bro? Religiously, did you know that they said yoga and shit like that's just a sin? Like how? Like I don't even know how. Like what the fuck? How? I guess if you're doing hot yoga with a bunch of hot ass girls in their fucking skimpy fucking tighties, sweating out there and getting wet on you while they're yoga and stretching, then yeah, maybe it's sinful there. You know what I mean? Like fuck, dude. And I even there's statistics, bro. In hot yoga, girls, 20% of them are actually getting wet and fucking horny in hot yoga. I know. Why? Because I used to be a personal trainer in a gym, and this girl I used to know well, she was owner of the yoga center, and she fucking told me all shit, and I looked into it, and yeah, man, it's fucking dope. But yeah, girls get all horny and shit because, you know, it's a relaxed stretching their pussies out, opening it up, you know, little movements to the clities, and then, you know, some of these stretches rub up, and they get all hot and horny, and they see other dudes in their spandex with their dick and balls all tight in their face, and they're getting wet, just like we get hard when we see their wet snatch. No, it's true, man. Like, what? And then boom, that's lust. You know, like shit.
Don't
But,
talk
you know,
to me, loser.
as long as you're not fucking anybody, it's not sinful. You know?
Arms outstretched.
We can be believers, but we don't have to be Catholic, you know what I'm saying? We can be believers, but not fucking Catholic. Like shit. Oh, you guys want to enter front? Alright. I don't have mirror.
You're good to the back because you're gonna face more people to the back. The main lobby's usually
Oh yeah.
there.
Okay.
Alright,
So we'll slip it here.
bang the door and I'll toss some spike ball in.
Look at that shotgun opening.
Put your hands in the air. Hands where I can see them.
Put your hands down.
This is the police. Hands where I can see them. Police. Hands up. Hands where I can see them. Hands where I can see them. Hands up now.
You won't if you listen to us, because we're the popo. You better fucking listen.
Get your hands off.
You don't listen, you
like
will
the
get
guy
clapped.
from the
You
movie.
will
Hands
get
where I can see
clapped.
'em.
We have the
Police,
right
put
to
your
kill.
hands up.
We're licensed to kill here.
Don't talk to me,
Like
loser.
we don't give a fuck.
Police, put your hands in the air. Hands where I can see them. Get down and put
Ah,
your
bro,
hands
Mac,
up.
what's going on here?
This is the police. Hands where I can see them.
Oh shit, watch it.
Oh, wow.
Clear. This is serious, guys. Clear.
This door right here is left is locked.
I can hear him.
What the fuck?
Talk reporting.
Wow.
Affirmative entry team.
As if they're gonna trap a drug house. They can't even afford this shit there, I don't think. Oh, actually, maybe they would. But they're very cheap in crack houses, you know?
Those explosives on the door, man.
Listen to this music.
Hold on, I'm
Hey, this is like Indian techno, man. That's pretty fucking fucked up. Alright, let me. What is he saying?
The gun's down. I don't have any more.
Oh. Yeah, look at her.
This isn't good.
we haven't killed the city yet. So we'll get
Oh, sick. This is sick, bro.
Notify
This is like a mix of Arabic fucking techno, man, together. Where is this shit? No wonder that's in Serbia. This is dope, man. Like a techno party in the desert. It's like Running Man. Yo, this is dope. It's called the Exit Festival. Oh my god, that's why, bro. Damn. Oh yeah, let me see what's going on here. Get. Huh. This is no joke. What house is this? I don't even remember being here. I've never been here.
Top of the stairs is clear. Alright,
Yo, this is dope.
This is next door. Let me get my ball pressed.
These guys got me into a new level. I've never been here, I don't think. What level is this? Oh no, this is the crack house. Or is it?
Arms outstretched.
Yeah, it is. I'm in there. Yeah. Sick.
Friendly. Real clear up. Alright, yeah, we cleared up to here on the first floor.
Oh man, I'm jonesing.
Grenade.
Maybe I'll break it into a pipe instead of the bomb. It might be less hard. I don't know.
Dead.
Oh, look at these guys.
Gonna drop a chem light in this room down here.
Oh man.
Copy, entry team. Proceed with mission. Talk reporting.
Oh man.
Roger that. Trailers incoming. Proceed with caution.
Yeah, the AMC thing, bro. This is tripping me out.
Shotgun.
I don't know what to think anymore, man. But I'm being realistic, and I looked at the options chain and everything. I think this is gonna be a dead stock till second or third week of January. And I have all the numbers, everything. I looked at it, all because of the options, man. And it definitely will go up because there's so much people that already bought options. And I realized, you know, I mean, that's the only way to push the price up. Just buying the stock is not gonna do it. And yeah, man, I just realized I've been doing my homework on this, and it fucking bothers me though, because if it goes up second week of January, then yeah. So what am I gonna do? Just sit on it for like 2 weeks, dead for 2-3 weeks, which probably have to be, might have to be. And if I think it is gonna be like this, then what's gonna happen is it's gonna go back down to test the bottom, and it already looks like it's headed that way. See it rejected off the 30 and constantly sinking, and now barely holding 29, and now it's on a decrease. It's under 29 actually, it's 28 something. And now I feel that momentum's gone, and I see the volume trickling away. Because everyone has hope, you know. The hope comes with the volume, you know. As it was going back up above 32 the other day, the hope came back. So people are thinking, hey, squeezing. So they jump in, they put in their money, the stock rises, right? And they also funnel half the fucking buy pressure in the dark pools. So what do the people do? Well, the puts end up getting killed, so they bring it back under 30 and pin it. And that's what it's done now. Pinned under 30, and every time it gets near 30, it gets bang, hard rejection. Sucks it at the roof, it doesn't push through, gets rejected, big drop, every time. And it's constantly doing this. So what's gonna happen, I think it's gonna be pinned under 30, constantly held like this, under 30. So right now it looks like it's heading down. Maybe it's gonna test, I think 27, 26, I don't know. But if it's like going this way, which I think it is, I want to get out now, you know. So I want to get out at 28 and then re-enter $2 lower, which is possibility. I don't know. That's where I want to make sure if that happens, I'm gonna do it like that. Or if not, I'm just gonna hold for a dollar dip maybe. And then that dollar dip will bounce it back up for a retest of the 30 again. And I think that's going to be a serious ceiling. It's not going to get fasted until, like I said, the options come into play. They call that delta hedge because what happens is the expirations, which are further out, end up pushing the price value up around those times, around the times of expiration, because they come into the money and they get paid. But then again, there's also a lot of put options. I looked at that too. There's a lot of put options in the 28-29 range, and what that will do is there's more calls than options, so I believe it's going to be like that, but you never know. Plus manipulation, you never know. So I'm being realistic. I don't want to believe the YouTubers and everybody pumping, oh, it's going to squeeze, oh, this day, that day. Shut up, man. They're probably just lying their fucking ass off because they want people to pump in, buy money, put in options or whatever to help their interests, right?
Talk to entry team. Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
But you have to look at the open interest and the options chain, and month out, always ahead, and you're gonna see you're gonna see a pattern. Honestly, I know you, because you've been looking and doing your shit, and you pick up pretty good. So you're gonna see it by, oh my god, first time I got this is the highest level I've got. Nice. These guys are pros, man. Nice, boys. Actually, it's my highest rating ever. Usually I'm like E. Oh yeah, because it's all about options, brother. I don't believe in the squeeze anymore, because if it's gonna happen, you're gonna see it anyways, and we need to be well above 40 for that to happen, and it's not happening. So realistically, yeah, why would anyone be playing AMC right now? You know, based on what, Reddit or the bullshit hype? No, the only way people play AMC now is for these options, bro. Because like last Friday, when Friday closed and 20% up, you know how much these motherfuckers made on options expiring last week? Yo, I looked at the numbers, bro. Some of these dudes with their options in the 30s, 27, 8, 9, 30, they're making like 1,500% gains, bro. That's more than the squeeze itself. You know what I mean? 1,500%. Even some at 2,000. Okay? I'm not fucking kidding you. That's why these options that used to be pennies are worth like fucking $5 now. Well, they've already been expired, but... And that's why the stock went back up to like 30 from the bottom of 20. Why? Because of these options pushing it back up. Not because people are saying, oh, buy more, hold, buy... Shut up. You know? That ain't gonna do shit. Buying, holding, or selling won't do shit. And the bottom line is, they control the narrative, man. They control the narrative, but I know what you gotta do what they do, you know? Expect the unexpected, expect what they're doing. And I already see what they're doing, brother. I see what they're doing. But I was in denial of it till now, you know? Now that I see it, I'm gonna try and play it, but it's gonna be hard because, you know, I don't have the access to the options in this account, and that's a problem. And I need, because you have to hold to have because I don't want to do like naked options, like naked calls or shorts on it, because you need to hold 100 shares per lot to cover in case. So I could do it in this account because I have my shares here, but my fucking bank denied me of options because I had to get an approval for it, and I thought just having the money is good enough, but no, they said no. You need to have a job, you need to have credit, you need to have all this crap to okay them to give me options. So I have options on another account, which makes no sense. And I can get liquidated easy there because I don't have any shares held there.
Hands up now! This is the police! Hands up! Drop your weapon now!
And it's tricky options. Like, all the calls didn't make money last month. There was only that 1 week, last Friday. You know what I mean?
Hands where I can see them.
I'm not saying anything.
You can have time with exercising it. Oh, there's so many factors with options.
Put your hands in the air. Hands up. All done. Contact is secured.
Get your hands off me.
That's sick, this guy right here. But I know for a fact, bro, it's the only way to make money. In this type of market, the way it's fucked like this, there's no other way. I'm telling you right now, there's no other way to make money. Don't listen to people, because those are people with money. But the people with the average Joe, you're not gonna make it unless you make it in options. I'm telling you now. At least this year. Last year, no, but this year, yes. I can see it, but like even the YouTubers. Look at all the YouTubers. Like Trade. How do you think he made his money? He even said, he shows it. It's all options. He made $1 million from 30 grand of options. He made $1 million.
Hands in the air. Hands up. Arms outstretched. This is the police. Hands up. Put your hands where I can see them. Hands where I can see them. Hands where I can see them. Arms outstretched.
But I'm looking at it, you know, because it helps me predict the price ranges, the options, and then things that are happening this week.
Police, hands in the air.
But the way I see it, they cleaned up the options, and that look at what they did on Monday, Tuesday. They did the reverse Uno card, made everything tank, and right there, that cleaned out all the call options that expired last week, and this week, I mean, they were all positive, and then now they all went down.
Hands up now.
Look at this guy, he's a fucking criminal.
Police, hands in the air.
Ah.
Police, hands in the air.
But like I said, because I see where all the money's at and what people are doing and where all the open interest is at, it's all concentrated in a certain week in January, which is like the second and third week. And if you look at all the options expiring then, watch, look at open interest on the puts and calls, and look at how many are in the money too. It's crazy. This is gonna be something big. The 30 and 40 between 30 and 40 strike calls all in mid-January. Watch, you're gonna see that they're all gonna. It's all gonna happen in 1 week too, in a couple days. It's suddenly gonna just ramp up, and then suddenly these numbers of like that don't look that good, suddenly gonna blow the fuck up. You're gonna get like 1000%.
Drop your weapon now. This is the police. Hands up now. Police, hands up. Police, hands up.
I got a stunner. He has a gun in hand.
Hands up.
Police, hands in the air.
Oh.
Drop the gun. Police, hands up.
Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
Yo, he got pumped from behind too.
Talk to element.
Drop your knee.
This is the police. Hands up.
You did your
Arms outstretched.
proceed with mission.
Arms outstretched. Arms outstretched. This is the police. This is the police. Hands. Put your hands in.
I got a warning shot.
Police. Hands in the air. Arms outstretched.
Guns down,
Police.
I'll have
Hands
you
up.
Yeah,
Fuck.
Hands up.
I mean,
Hands up. Do it now.
you never know, bro. You never know. This like the May, June thing was suddenly ramped up, this could happen, and we're in a crucial time frame with this stock. So I don't think it will though, because they want to make sure it goes past the year. So it's not gonna. It's already. You can see it's already pinned. So there's no point. I mean, I'm not gonna push the bullshit hype on it where it's gonna squeeze when I don't think it's gonna happen. You know. You have to be realistic about it.
Get down and put your hands.
Oh fuck, man.
This is the police. Hands up.
Okay, that didn't work. What's in my thing?
Police, put your hands up.
But man, I just want to get out of this shit, bro. I just want to hit 40 and I'm out, like, you know what I mean? I won't ever look back at this crap again, fuck. But, you know, who knows, man? I just, I can't say it's over for sure yet, but maybe that's enough to get it going again in January, right? Maybe that when it starts pumping up, the price action, people are gonna jump back in. We had a little piece of it. The volume did pick up a bit. Volume was getting there again, so you know, who knows? But the people aren't stupid. The sideliners with the sideline cash, they're not stupid in a volatile market. So what are people gonna do? If they see it get rejected, you think they're gonna pull their money in? No, they're gonna pull out. Like we saw it get rejected off of 32, 33 hard rejection, and what happened?
Hands up. Police, put your hands up.
Oh Jesus Christ! Sorry, dude. Oh man. Oh man.
Talk to entry team.
Shit. I couldn't even, I wasn't paying attention. I thought it was an enemy. Damn it. Oh man. Fuck.
Hands up now.
Damn it. I'm so pissed I did that. That's so bad. Oh man. I mean, it looks like I just purposely ripped the guy to pieces. I feel bad. Folks, we had a good mission. And as a police officer, I mistakenly blew my own teammate away. Because I was thinking about the stock. I wasn't even paying attention. And then what happened? Ba-bang. Oh my.
Put your hands where I can see them. Police, hands up. Put your hands where I can see them.
Oh man.
Hands up now.
Did we go upstairs?
Hands up. Drop your knee.
Oh no. I don't think so. I know, bro. That was the worst. Like, I was looking at the guy too. I even shot him twice. I'm like, okay, one time and then clapped him again. I was like, damn. With the shotty. Folks, we're just kicking down doors.
Hands up now.
Oh, wow.
Police, put your hands up. Police, hands in the air. Hands up now. Arms outstretched. Police, hands in the air.
Okay. Oh, fuck. Whoopsie. Whoopsie.
Police, hands up. Hands up now.
The suspect is expired.
Oh.
Talk to high ground. Great
Police,
work,
hands
entry
in the
team.
air.
Keep it up.
Hands up now. Hands in the air. Arms
Nice.
outstretched.
Laser
Police,
on your
hands in the
fucking
air.
head, dude.
Hands up
You
now.
don't want to
Hands in
do
the
it.
air.
What?
Hands
You gonna do
up
it?
now. Hands where I can see them.
Give him a little gun butt.
Got them all cuffed and secured.
Whew.
Hands up now!
Okay, clear.
Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
Police, hands up! Hands up!
What do you mean, fuck
Hands
off?
in the
You kidding
air.
me, girl?
Hands up now! Hands in the air!
I'm trying to save your life.
Hands up!
What do you
now.
mean? Oh yeah, they're
Down, Put
druggies.
your hands up!
You're a druggie.
Get your hands off
I'm gonna
me.
send you to rehab. I'm gonna help you, girl.
Get your hands
Look at her,
off
she's
me.
barefoot and doing drugs in the fucking crack house.
High ground.
Folks,
Roger, entry team.
this is no place for innocent
Put your hands in the air!
people.
Hands up! Put your hands in the air! Hands up now! Hands where I can see them! Arms outstretched! Hands up!
Oh my,
Police,
oh my,
hands
oh my,
up.
oh my, oh
This is the
my.
police! Hands up!
Ah,
Arms outstretched! Hands in the air! Hands where I can see them! Hands up!
sacrament, I had the pistol whip her. Fuck, crazy.
My mom has a Mexican maid.
Hey, don't
You
worry.
might know
Everything's gonna be.
her.
Hands up!
Stay with entry team. Roger.
Holy Manola.
I want to talk to a
Get
lawyer.
down and show me your hands! This is the police! Hands up!
This is talk. Copy that. Trailers incoming.
Arms outstretched!
Whoa! Woo. Folks. Uh-oh, that didn't sound good. Uh-oh.
Get down and show me your hands! Put the gun down
I'm
now!
out, okay? I give up.
Lucky. I was gonna blast him.
Fuck.
Hands up! Tell it to someone who cares.
Talk to element. Great work, entry team.
Police,
Keep it
hands up! Get down and put your hands up! Hands up now!
Go fuck
Got it,
yourself.
cuffed and
No,
secured.
no, 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 no. You're fucked,
Do
boy.
anything.
Trying to push drugs
Civilian restraint.
and run a crack house. Lucky I don't blast off here. Get
All
my
done. Contact is secure.
teammates killed in a violent police operation.
Civilian is secured.
No, 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 no.
This is talk. Great
Hands
work,
up!
entry team. Keep it up.
I think we're good.
Police, hands in the air!
I think we're good.
Have a bit of
Drop the
this.
Hands up! Hands where I can see them!
Holy
This is
manoli.
the police! Hands up!
Ouch.
Talk to high ground. Copy, entry team.
Arms outstretched! Hands up! Put
Oh,
your
is this
hands
documents?
where I can see them. Hands in the air.
Why is this guy doing with pepper gun, man? Is he insane? Like, we had 3 squad mates that got murdered. He's running around with pepper ball. Like, what are you? You're not no Rambo. Like, murder. Like, what is wrong with this guy? He's watching too many movies or something. You know, like you don't do that. You don't do that shit. Like, what is this guy thinking, guys? Folks, this is not very police-like of him.
Hands where I can see them.
Plus, IRL, you think cops are gonna be nice like this when you should buck down one of their mates?
Hands
You
up.
kidding me? Everybody would be licking shots, wouldn't even be
Hands up.
moving in. Be like straight up licking. Oh shit.
Hands up now. Police, hands in the air.
Folks, come on, AMC, squeeze
Get
it,
down
man.
and put your hands up.
The manipulation, the crime, it has to end. It has to squeeze, man. And I mean, or let it go back to 60. At least 60 people get out, and then that's it. Finito benito. But they're too greedy.
Hands up
The
now.
market makers are too greedy,
Hands in
and
the air.
they just. The crazy thing is, they could allow that
Hands
to
up.
happen, but they won't.
Hands up.
They're so greedy.
Hands in the
They
air.
don't want anybody to make money. That's how greedy they are. So.
Hands up.
And what's craziest, Ken Griffin got with one of his friends. His name is Charles Gasparino, some fucking investor dude.
Hands up.
Yeah, I think we got them all, eh?
Talk reporting. Great job.
And the thing is, I believe yeah, man, they're I don't know, man. It's been worrying. It's worrying. I hope it's not what I think it is. Where they already got their money out of it. They're just making money off of the hype that it could squeeze. So they clean up the options week in and week out. And that's just it. And now it's sitting at this price level because there's less actual investors. They don't care about holding, and you know that money's lost. They care about new money. Who's pumping in more money in this shit? In this fucking dumpster. Actually, that's not well. In their minds, it must be like that, but in reality, technically it is. Like, look at how much money has been going into this. Yet, it's all it's done is gone down from 70 in 6 months. Like, really? Like, that's garbage. Anybody that looks at, if you didn't know about this shit and you just look at this value of the stock, would never invest in it. They won't. And that's why volume has been tapering off slowly and slowly. And a very, very reason why. But shit.
Yep.
Oh shit. Got it. Yeah, my bad about that, guys. For the last thing, I wasn't paying attention, and then I looked back on the screen, and I was like, "Damn." I do feel bad because it's not cool, you know. This guy waited all morning to play a good game, and he expected you know. But I give it that, man. The immersion is here. The immersion is here.
Build your chair today at elitehcs.com.
That's weird.
It takes big dreams to do great things. Things that no one else can even imagine. Just like Ferry Porsche did.
Hey, anybody else up there in chat? Man, don't be shy. Say something, you know, because I'm pretty sure there's more than one viewer, man.
And if you're ready to dream as big as Ferry,
Pretty sure.
then ask yourself, what's your sports car?
But yeah, let's get car dealership. But I think, like I said, if not, then, you know, for a positive hope, it's going to just go down to get a bounce. And then that bounce will give it the momentum to break past. It has to break past 30, 31. If it doesn't get through there, then it's the same shit again, you know? But if it gets through there, then, of course, once it settles above 30, 32, gets some momentum, 33, 34, then... we know.
Hands up! Hands where I can see them!
What the fuck is going on here?
Hey, drop the weapon.
Get down and put your hands up!
Get on the ground now.
Police, hands up.
Arms outstretched! Police, put your hands up! Arms outstretched! Outstretched!
Oh man, this guy's crazy.
This is the police! Hands up! Civilian down. Put your hands where I can see them!
Proceed with your mission.
No, that guy shouldn't have bucked him though. It sucks that they're shooting through the window. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jeez! Murder!
Hands in the air.
Folks! I killed him. Suspect down inside. Folks! I don't know what I was thinking. Like, I just got in a firefight with people and I'm trying to kick in the door. Like, I don't know why I was doing that. I just wasn't thinking. Hey. But let's take a look right now.
Have a bit of it.
Let's see how it is. Because right now is the key. Brokers are all open right now. Green candle again, which means we know there's that doesn't matter because yesterday was a green, and you know this means we have positive pressure today. But are they going to control it and pin us off the open? We'll see. This is where I see right now. Oh shit! What the fuck? Oh shit! No. Let me see if they're gonna pin us on open right now. Wow, it's not looking good. We went down 5% yesterday. Yo, man, that's such a bullshit amount, you know? Such a fucking joke, man. It's like every day I lose money, man. Whatever I gain, it just goes away. 1,000 up, 1,000 back down. Like, what the fuck, you know? It's such a joke, man. Like, I'm so sick of this fucking scam of this situation. They fucked everybody. Like, imagine months ago, this was at 40 something, but man, 50 something, you know, like more.
This is the police.
It's a fucking
Hands
joke
up.
now. They pinned it.
Hands where I
They
can
can
see
just
them.
take
Put
people's
the
money.
gun down. Put the gun
Crazy, the
down.
market.
Now. Put the gun down. Drop your weapon now. Drop your weapon. Drop the gun. Don't drop your weapon. See them.
Holy moly. Okay.
We've got a dead suspect here.
This is talk.
Get down and show me your hand. Get down and show me your hand. Get down and show me your hand.
Oh man, miracles can still happen somehow, some way. I mean, for me to get out of this play, I just want 40. I just want 40. I prayed for that. I said, I'm not greedy. 40, I'm out. I don't ever see this shit again. How about that, you know? It's not too much to ask. And God knows, man, it won't be just for me. There's 4 million people plus that are all losers right now. Most of them. Because the average is at 43 cost. Average cost is 43. Are you kidding me? Like, are you fucking kidding me? Gotta factor in market conditions also, because it's really bad right now in the market. Still. Even though there's a recovery in progress. Oh!
Drop your weapon. Put your hands up.
Down.
Drop the gun. Don't
Motherfucker
make
put
me
3
shoot
shots
you.
on the fucking shield.
Put your hands up.
That's crazy. Oh, backwards.
They're here.
Drop your weapon.
Down.
Hands
Hands up. On your head.
There we go. We don't give a fuck. We're not gonna say police.
Show me your hands.
I notify them by the gunshots. You're gonna see the muzzle flash, and then lights out. That's it. You're under arrest. I sentence you eternity in hell, motherfuckers. You know what I mean? You wanna play that game? You wanna play that? Whoa! 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 Bro. Yo, they only give me 2 clips, fuck. Are you fucking kidding me? You only got 2 clips with an SA-50. Folks! I can't even see through my damn shield anymore. Fuck it.
Talk to entry team. Copy that entry team. You did
Ah,
your
okay.
best. Proceed with mission.
Severely injured here.
Police, hands in the air. Hands up now. Hands in the air.
Proceed with mission.
Arms outstretched. Hands up now.
That's. Ah. Folks. Shit. So what a joke. They took the life out of AMC out of it. Like, man. So many people too holding like thousands of shares. It's ridiculous. Like thousands. And they're just holding at a loss. Like, okay. And they're gonna still hold at a loss. Like, that's what they don't get. You think the market maker's gonna be like, hey, go ahead guys, make some money. You've waited a long time, we're gonna award you. No. These cocksuckers are the Grinches of Christmas, man. I see them, what they're doing. They're fucking pieces of shit. And I got the most liked comment on Webbo right now because of this comment I made. I'll send it to you actually. Hold on. Uh-oh. Folks. Uh-oh. I can't do it, bro. Oh, shit. Shit. I can't do it, bro. But I'm gonna have it here. I'll show it to you later, I guess. I don't know how much. But I made an analysis like on the whole fucking AMC stock, a big paragraph, you know. But it's got top comment, you know, for a reason, because I told people straight up, like, let's be realistic about this. No, seriously, as an investor, let's take a look at what you put your money into. It's always about risk versus rewards, right? Like, let's be realistic. Is it gonna squeeze? No, absolutely not. You can see it. It's how it moves for the past year. Is it gonna squeeze? No. And if it will, then you'll see it. We'll see it moving again like it did pre-June. But it's not doing that ever since. And that's what sucks.
Hands up.
It really sucks. So I'm waiting. Possibly because of the options are gonna cause that FOMO, and you know, we have no choice to wait. You know, the numbers never showed up till with the options till, you know, because people honestly thought it was gonna squeeze in October, November, so that's why. It's been slowly coming back a little bit, and earnings really put back some volume in there, but not much. People realized after it got tanked from the earnings that it's not going anywhere, and that's why this has been, you know. Oh yeah, Charles Gasparino. That's the guy's name. He's a lawyer and or not a hedge fund manager, dude. And he's with Citadel on this, and he made the comment that Ken Griffin says thank you to all the investors for the millions he's made for Christmas. Like, and no shit. He's not only, we're talking possibly billions, and that's the truth. He's making billions, not millions. And everyone's just foolish to say, oh, we got them, we're bleeding them dry. No, they're not. They got 4,000 other fucking stocks that they're making manipulations and killing off of. You think they're gonna be worried about the billions or millions they spend to short this shit? No, because they're making 10 times more on other stocks and on this stock itself from the options chain, cleaning it up every week. And that's what people don't realize. How are they making money? How are they making money? We're making money. Because we're holding a losing stock? No.
Arms outstretched. Put your hands up. Arms outstretched.
So I don't want to be negative on it, but I have to be realistic. And I've been fooling myself by being positive about it and all this. No more. No more. It's already past its year due, which I thought it was going to squeeze before then, and it did. And that's proof itself. It's not going to squeeze. If they're going to hold it from squeezing under a year, you think they're going to squeeze it, let it squeeze next year? Fuck no. They're never going to let it squeeze. That's the truth. You know what I mean? Like, come on, man. People are so, like, naive, thinking, like, oh, magically we're going to let ourselves get arrested. We're going to let the law, justice win, even though we pay them off. And we're going to magically let the price inflate. It's to say, so we don't have haters. Because we're always making money. We don't like to have haters, okay? Like, honestly, that's the attitude. Like, listen, if I was a hedge fund manager, I'd be like, these clowns, I'm gonna keep fucking pushing the squeeze narrative so they can keep pumping money into the stock, and we're gonna keep taking it forever. And I'm gonna blatantly make fun of them too at the same time and mock them, and that's what they've done. It's embarrassing that this is even happening. I'm embarrassed to hold this stock right now because, like, he's mocking us. It's crazy. It's an embarrassment. Yeah, I know. But I was one of these people. I was one of these dumb people, bro. Because I was so sure of the squeeze, too. Oh, you took a bullet in the chest. Oh, motherfucker, whore! I couldn't see him! Ooh. Okay. Let's take a break off this, and I want to look at the chart with you. Honestly, bro, I never even had to give a fuck about showing it to nobody since. And you're the only one, pretty much, and Richard, but Richard doesn't care about it. And he knows too. He thinks it's a done deal. Can't blame him, because anyone looking from the outside, this is a done fucking deal. Why? Because first of all, look at how many other stocks squeezed. More than even this one squeezed. More than GME squeezed. So many. Yeah, they only give me 2 clips. I don't know why. Like, I get it. It's a big fucking gun. 7.61 5.1 NATO round, but why would, as a SWAT, why am I only limited to 2 big clips? Like, I don't know. I know they're big. They're like fucking like this, these clips. But still, why would I only have 2, you know, as a SWAT? I don't know, man. That bugs me. But yeah, let's check this out. Folks, we haven't looked at this in a while because I don't look at the long time frames anymore. Why? Because it creates a false impression. Then it's like I'm just doing myself the disfavor and being like every YouTuber, listening to their hype to hype myself up. No, I don't want any hype. I want realistic interpretation of the price action at the current time. I don't give a fuck before. I don't give a fuck what it could be. I need to know now and for the day, you know. So this is where because that's what's matter. If my money's in today, I want to give a fuck today. So here's my 2 plans where even for me to listen to my own plan is going to be very hard because nothing goes to plan, and they always move it around in such a way because they got psychologists, all these fucking high-tech AI algo bots, you know. So trust me, they know what to do. We can't beat that. But if I'm to make a varied prediction where they're going to drive it down today, and we're going to see a target of 27 to 26, then my best bet is I got to sell out right away. Right away. Because I know they're going to nail it right away. They're going to do the open flush just like every fucking day they do. Just like here. See? Open flush. Boom. Try to make a rally back. You see? That's called the bull trap for the day. And they let you do it. Look. Comes back even almost double it. But then what happens after? Insta suck away. Insta suck away. And then at the bottom of the drop right here, you have a massive volume candle. What does that do? That solidifies this as a sell-off. That this is not just a fabricated price that just create that the oh, like everybody, they're just shorting us. Price is fake. Price is fake. Like, shut the fuck up. Go withdraw your money now and sell your stock now, and you're gonna see how real the price is, and how much of a sucker you are for believing those people. Okay, the fucking price is real. The price is as real as it gets right here. I don't give a fuck if they have the fake price in the dark or whatever the fuck. At 10,000 or it doesn't matter. It's what we pay and what we sell it at. That's what counts. And don't let anybody mislead that otherwise, because then they're just fools themselves, misled, or they have their alternative agenda, right? Where that's why there's a very smart guy out there, Al from Boston. See, I watch every YouTuber. There's no YouTuber that's gonna get under my screen or anyone in media or any info, because I'm all out there, because you have to see everything. You have to see everything. You're gonna always have a little piece of the truth in everything, right? Well, here's this guy saying million is the floor, and he's like a well-versed guy. He's like military. He's also like well-educated, university and finance and all this fucking shit. He's like a well-versed guy, man. Credentials up his arse. Well spoken too, and I believe his genuinity. But he has he's naive as just like everybody else, because they're all naive on what? I'll tell you the grounds of not being naive is believing that justice is going to take place, because that's what's going to happen. That's needed to happen for a squeeze to take place. There's no way this is going to mow ass or squeeze. No way. One, it's going to require two things: gamma, delta hedge, all that crap, plus plus an exposure of the naked synthetics. How are you going to do that? You need the law to kick in. They're not going to just say, hey, look, here's my murder weapon and here's my evidence. Thank you very much. Now price rise. Like, you kidding me? These motherfuckers, they're so rich, and they got infinite, way more money than any retailer combined. They're the 1%ers, man. They're on top of the world. You know what they're going to do? They just go, write a check, problem solved. So what do? They erase the history, synthetics, all that. They pay off the law. They pay off Gary Gensler, the SEC. Everything is all paid off. That's why it's not going to just magically crumble like in 2008, where people think, oh, we're going to get that. No, you're not going to get that, because this is not 2008 anymore. Now you got the institutions that are running the show, not like back then where Porsche was an institution and fighting against the institutions. This battle today is retailers against institutions. We're not going to win. How are we going to win? Seriously, how? By just voicing our opinion about it? No. It's never going to win, because they got the balls, they got the control. The only way to win is we take physical action, where people get in vigilante groups and literally knock on the Justice Fed Gov department and just say, hey, we want motherfucking justice now, or this. You know, there's no other way. There's no other way. And it's going to be reverse Uno card before we even get there. You know what I mean? We talk about this, it's going to get reverse Uno card right away. So I know how the fuck it works. That's why Charles Gasparino's right on Twitter for the world to see. He made a mockery out of the world and the justice system with the backing of Ken Griffin Citadel. The quote, unquote. Here, I'll show it. Here it is. Watch. Here it is. American journalist who's with Fucking cocksucker. And he's suing the person too. See? Look. Oh no, he's turning it off here. Wait. Piece of shit, this guy. Here it is. Telltale sign Amos sees in the red. My Twitter feed is filled with ape comments that I'm manipulating the stock with some dude named Kenny G. Sad. And then even before us. Yeah. Thank you. This guy just answered it right here. He goes, reverse psychology is one thing. Why don't you dig up some old news on Kenny G from 2000 to now? See how clean his track record is. Not so clean. But here again, we're going back to the same fucking loophole. Where same shit with everybody's doing. We're banking on justice to come through, right? So let's be real. Is justice going to come through? No. But here, look. Continues to bash the stock live on TV and Twitter while his wife owns a streaming business. But why is he doing that and getting away with it? Because they're allowed to. And that just proves it again. They're allowed to. And that's why everything is so unfair, they can just do what the fuck they want. I like this. Nice. Nice. I'm gonna have to share this. Folks! Because that's the truth. This is the only thing, man. These cocksuckers. There we go. Hey, post it, baby. Oh no, they blocked me, bro. No, they didn't. Oh, they did, I think. Wait. Yep. So sick, man. They banned me, bro. They already got me out of there. Oh no, I got it here. Yep. See? Everybody believes in me. Yeah. Yep. It's true. Why is he coming out with such, like, you know, he's like in our face with it. Like, it's just, yeah, they're controlling it, but to go farther and to like throw it in our face, it's crazy, man. Like, this guy, he's gonna have to get murdered. Like, I hope for fair market, we have to all wish for this. Ken Griffin will be murdered. And you know what? Karma's a bitch. And if like I said, I understand bad things happen in this world and get away with it, regardless of religion. But sometimes, you know, God won't make that effort. We'll step in. And I think this is a just time. You're gonna snap your fingers. One motherfucker will have to drop. Send them straight to fucking hell. And I guarantee you, you're gonna make this world that much better place already. I'm not shitting you. Just one human being dead will make this world a better fucking. I'm not kidding you though. Like, how much better? Well, how much does he make billions a year? I think it's about 7 billion or 8 billion. First of all, $8 billion will be coming back into the world a year. Okay, righteously so. That's one way of looking at it. You know, it's. But hey, I know it's not nice to wish for someone's death, but hey, trust me. I guarantee you put a Twitter poll on this motherfucker, Ken Griffin Citadel. Vote, dead or alive. Everyone will say dead. Simple. You don't even have to ask a question. Just say dead or alive. Vote, please. There's no harmful implications, folks. It's just straight up Twitter poll. Dead or alive. And you know what? I guarantee it. 99.9% will vote dead. And the only time the votes that say not dead is his fucking shill bots that are voting for him. His computer shill bots. AI logarithm bots. They're carefully monitoring it. Media. Which he owns media, by the way. He owns fucking so much media. It's crazy. And controls the narrative. Everything. This motherfucker owns the world, bro. And hey, I think you would too if you made $8 billion a year. Or something like that. You'd make... You're making like... He's making like millions... How much every day? Like... I think his salary is like 4 or 5 million per day, or I don't know, works out to something ridiculous. More, 8 to 10 million a day, I think he makes. This man makes that much in one day that a motherfucking country, some fucking countries probably don't make. You know what I mean? That's what it's so disgusting. He's a sick, twisted individual, and like I said, let's have some righteousness in this world. You know what I mean? That's why I pray for this. I pray for this, and you know what? There's nothing wrong with this, to pray for someone's death, because look, God wiped out the fucking world in the Old Testament. You know, when there's wrong, we need right to be done. And if it can't be naturally take its course, well, God's got to step in, man, just like he's done before. Then again, it's up to me to question, you know, but hey, he wants to have that image of being a fair, omnipotent, righteous God that allows free will. Well, how is he allowing free will when he has one individual's control over the population and over social classes? How is that free will? This motherfucker took away people's free wills. He took away a fair market. He took away people's futures, man. But it's my bad. I should have seen it coming. I should have seen it coming. See this negative channel? It's going down here since yesterday. See, that's the VWAP and the MA200 line right there. It's trading under the VWAP and the MA200 right there. MA200, which is the 200-day moving average. Is very important because that's an average. You know what I mean? Of it doesn't matter if it's manipulated. It doesn't fucking matter. It just shows where you're at over the long term. But here's the good news. Look what happened in right now in pre-market. Look at this behavior now. Very strange. Look at that. Look at that. This is now positive now. From my negative sentiment, now it turned positive. Look, why? Negative channel here, right? Broke out of it. See? It's above this area, right? Barely touched, almost. And then what did it do? Because it brought it back down to this area where it was down before. What does this mean? This is called a reverse rejection, where it came, you know how we see it reject off the resistance and reject? Well, now it's rejecting off the bottom. It's reversing it. Instead of like going further down, like how it goes, can't go past the top, it goes to the bottom, rejects at a higher bounce, and look at this reaction. Huge. Huge reaction. And these two things here, this area here, and this area here shines above all this area here. Even yesterday's movement. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Am I not kidding you here? I just showed you something on the graph and myself, because I just see this myself now. This solidifies the reaction for me today. And what better way to tell than narrowing down the frame to just 2 days, right? What better way to tell? Because you can't predict the future. We can only predict the near-term outcomes, near-term momentums, right? So what's going on now? 2 volumic candles at the 2 rise-ups. One very small, right here, but it's in pre-market. One large here. Why? Because it's 8 o'clock and the broker's open. But proceeds with the green candle. What does that mean? This area, there's still a lot of buying pressure. VWAP is black. Right now we're above VWAP. VWAP is the volume weighted average price. Very important. Very important. Because you know why? Every time we're under the VWAP, it's a good buy zone, right? RSI, MFI, they all work with that indicator, you know? But what do I see here? Super trend says it's going down. We see the ladder effect already take place. Now, let's check this. Now we're gonna know. Why? Because this is how they fucking do their stupid shit every day. And I hate it, but I can't avoid it. We're done. We're fucking done. Why do I say we're done? Because, look, cost to borrow has gone back down. It was like at almost 1%, or it was at 1%. Now it just dropped to 0.3. And they don't need as many shares to borrow. So now it's at 5 million, even though it's still high. Because this was at 3 million weeks ago. So what does that mean? That means they're going to be shorting this heavily today. Which means what? 3 to 4 weeks from today, we're going to have what's called the delta hedge, because of the heavy shorting from their shorts, come into fruition, called delta hedge, which will probably with expiries of mid to end of January, a month from now. And that's how it comes into effect the price. They're going to do what they usually do, which is not pay for their shorts and failure to deliver like they always do. And no one's going to say anything about it or do anything about it. And just straight up illegal. And they pay their little fine, which is peanuts, which is much less than even his daily fucking salary. And he's laughing all the way to us. He's laughing at us right now. And I know why he's laughing now, because he's got all his money moved. For him, it's all about money. He's got his billions and billions and probably trillions already moved and the Cayman Islands now. So even if they arrest him, they're not going to get shit off him. He's happy right now like a fucking pigs and shit. And that's why he's starting to play the ego. He's stroking his own ego. He got his little butt buddy, Charles Gasparino, who fucks him up the butt every day to post some information to tick us off. And, well, did he do it? Absolutely he did. That's why he's #1 on Reddit right now. Absolutely, he's winning. I don't know what people are thinking. People are thinking, no, they're desperate. No, he's winning. That's why he's boasting it in our face. What a cocksucker. Sick, twisted fuck he is. And you see, no one's going to talk about this shit. You see, all the guys are YouTubers. Let's spin up the false narratives. Let's keep saying squeeze, baby, squeeze. For my YouTube, my super chat. Come on. Like, even the latest guy, like, man, honestly, I can't wait to expose this fucker. He said he's been getting thousands of dollars now every day on YouTube because he's started super chatting. And then now he says, I'm giving the money to charity. Which, first of all, I don't believe that. I know they're just like everybody else, man. They just want money for themselves. So they're gonna probably give a little piece and then take the rest themselves. That's what I think's gonna happen. But it pisses me off because he's one of those pieces of shit that always push the, oh, it's squeezing narrative. No, it's not. You're fucking full of shit, and start throwing the bullshit TA. Because TA can go for both ways. How about bearish TA, right? How about that? Let's make bearish TA. How about that? You see, when I start doing TA, I do it for both. The bearish prediction and also the bullish prediction. Because you cannot do TA without doing both. How can you do it? How can you be credible with your TA if you don't have a balanced, unbiased explanation? Right? And every YouTuber, except for maybe one, there's a dude named El Cappuccino, and the reason why is because he trades both ways. He does options for calls and for puts, and I respect that because he's being honest. He's fucking being honest because he shows his intention and how he trades. So he's doing it for himself, but it doesn't fucking matter because he's the only realist one out there. Nobody else is doing that. Well, there's another guy too. He's pretty good with that. He's a young kid though. This guy's like in his early 20s, but he's fucking smart. What's his name? I'm gonna find him right here. This kid. Yeah, this guy, I don't believe him either. This one, I believe he's full of it. There's so many that are like that. I believe. It's funny, this guy always disappears whenever fucking the shit's going down. The stock goes down, he never streams live anymore. Things live going up, he's streaming. Or, you know, it's always some fucked up thing. I just noticed it all. What's his name? Ricky Caderas is another one. This guy's loaded and plays with like $250,000 on a reg to $500,000. But he has no reason to lie. That's why he says it like it is. And he says it about the AMC. It's not like he's never gonna stay in it. He doesn't believe it's gonna squeeze. That's why he's only in and out very quick. And he makes his money all the time. With 100 G's usually he plays with. I'm gonna find this dude's video. He's one of the better ones actually because he explains it. And he even says it. He goes, oh, here he is. Tyler Wilson.
Find the best place for you guys. I'm trying to provide as much free content as possible. So make sure.
I respect this kid.
When I post the end of the day,
because I listen, I watch.
Or anything like that,
he's the only guy, man. He's the only guy.
Losers, showing you the winners. So make sure you're on the lookout for that. Crypto as well. Try to tell you guys, Shiba Pump, it was coming. Look what's going on. What you need to hear. You had kind of a.
And he's the one that notified me of the options chain, and I knew about the Delta hedge, but he's the only guy to show with the numbers. You see, you can talk. Everyone talks, right? But until you show the graphs, the numbers, and how you can back it up, I don't believe you, right? But this guy confirmed the Delta hedge, January, mid-January, end of January options are coming to fruition. This is the only motherfucker. Open interest, numbers, values, everything was shown. Hey man, I fuck with this kid. I respect it, and that's why he's making money. He's a profitable trader, this kid.
See, but I'm telling you right now,
But listen to him talk. It's not once is he talking about bullshit like every other TA guy. Every other guy is, because they're all, you know, they're putting the little bit of hype or fakeness. The only real guys, which is I think only one or two, like I said, and he's one of them, are the guys that show their own trades. And because why wouldn't you? Like, if you're not showing your own trade, that means you have a hidden agenda. I know this guy says, you never ask for a guy's trade because it's like asking for your bank account. Well, no, that's where you're wrong. Then don't put yourself in a position where you have to be credible, like being a YouTuber talking about finances. If you're going to be a YouTuber talking about finances in a certain stock, then you better be trading in it and show your position. Otherwise, don't fucking open your fucking mouth. And that's the bottom fucking line. Like, shut the fuck up, you know? Like, come on, man. We know the game. A lot of people don't, though, you know? This is still part of a hustler's game. This is still a reality game. This is still the street game. And anyone that's, you flip anything from fucking used car to a fucking a piece of fucking crack or cocaine or blow or drugs or whatever, it's still the same, you know? It's still the same. product for product. There's no difference, you know? And that's the same thing with stocks, you know, except there's so many loopholes and manipulation. And instead of like Coke where you could just throw in some powder and cut and then let it go, well, here, it doesn't follow the same strict moral rules as on the streets. You know, that's why here they get away with fucking dark pool trading and ETF swaps and all these beautiful fucking moves where they could just park orders and then conveniently do everything for their shorts. So that's what they do. They park orders, they do everything conveniently in the dark pools. So inflated values balloon, things are out of control, money's made, but we suffer because we get the lit exchange price, which is driven down at the fake expense of what's made out on the dark pools. So you can see like $1,000 a share. Yeah, that can be easily done in the dark pools. They'll just write it up at $1,000 a share and then bang, swap it up, make a deal with the bank, broker, money maker, market maker, and that's it, wrap it up. And they're killing it, right? No matter what they're making, they're killing it. Tax free, you know? And they just have to pay off the fucking feds, you know? FTDs, that's one of their payoffs. People don't want to see that. Like, I don't understand why the fuck people open their mouth and complain, this stock, we're getting screwed with the manipulation. Well, then go fucking to the fucking goddamn government's office and start fucking petitioning for justice. Or go to fucking file civil suits. There's nothing else you can do. Or fucking, you know, be anarchy and do like the fucking Washington fucking shit there, you know? But that's going to lead to one thing. Violence leads to ending. You know, people get killed, and that's what's going to happen. You're going to have to die for this cause. You need to die for justice to happen in a fair market. That's what's going to happen, you know? And that's why, in a way, like, I don't want to be negative, but hey, if people are going to be putting their all and thinking, like, without thinking the reality of the situation, then they're going to lose everything. And when they do, I hope that's not going to be the wake-up call for them to actually physically do something. Because if it takes someone to lose it all, to lose their fucking marbles, to actually do something, then so be it. Because we need things to be done for shit change to be happening. But whatever. I ain't gonna.
I believe this is 100% a fake out. I'm going to go over exactly why, where you're bouncing, and the huge bullish.
He just said it. Fake out.
News that is surrounding the entire economy right now, and I guarantee no one's talking about it. Like, subscribe, do what you're gonna.
It could be a fake out where it's a fake, like a bear trap. It could be, because one thing he did make good, is the options. Okay, but this guy's projecting long term, so it's the short term. I'm concerned about short term, as much as long term too. So, if this is going to go down in the short term, which I think it is, and he confirmed it is. Of course, it's gonna test support ranges, right? And we already hit very, very low lows. Like, look at this ranging here on the dailies. Look how much lows we got here, man. Fuck, it's ridiculous. We're just getting out of this. And look, on the daily, we should still be in the MACD in the green. But wait, yeah, we're still in the green. That's very, very reassuring for me, at least. And look, the markets were crap the other day. We only had a minus 3-4%, and then, you know, it did better than some other things. Let's put it that way. Now today is critical. Today, if it's not a green day, then for sure it solidifies the outlook for the next 2 weeks. It's just going to be stuck in this bearish channel. And today is the critical. Why? Because yesterday and the day before was the bounce off the rejection at the top, at 32 range. And we're coming off of that 20% gain, and we still haven't consolidated yet. So we already had a 5% drop. That brings it down to 15. For true consolidation, we're going to go all the way down to a 61.8 on the Fibonacci, and we're going to be bringing it all the way down. What price range was I looking there at? Rejected off 32, bring it all the way back down to, who knows, man. It might be back down to the 25, 26. I don't know. That's if it's going to go negative today, you know. But you can see the heavy shorting, 5 million borrowed shorts ready to pounce. And look what they do. Right at the ceiling, you see the ceiling here? Even Steven. It's like the algo bots. No, it triggers the algo bots. What happens when it gets to the ceiling? Bang. Auto ladder short attack. Boom. Algos go to work and short it down. Short it down. Exact. Look at this. Even more aggressive, the short. As you can see by the angle. It's not a joke. They got 5 million on tap, and they're gonna hit those numbers today. I promise you. And on top of that, they'll probably just tap in for more numbers. They have it on tap, man, no problem, unlimited, and that's what's disgusting. E-printed synthetics on tap, 24/7, no problem. And then all they got to do is FTD this shit and not even worry. They don't give a fuck. But what I notice, as you see, every little uptick, look, the hammer attack will happen. Ladder attack, sorry. And it's going to happen right here. Watch. If it goes to a lower ceiling for a rejection, we already know it's going to be even worse news on the open. But I project it's going to come touch this right here and then go back down. They're timing it for 9:30. Exactly. That's when it's going to be. 9:30 will be bang, touch off, and then it's going to be opening around here. And then try to hammer it down again. That's what I think. Yeah, that's exactly what's going to happen. So it's going to go up here, down, 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 to a negative again, and then open with the open flush. Boom. Drive it down to 27 range. Yeah, low 27s on open. Watch this come to fruition. If this happens, hey, then we already know what's going to happen today. They're going to go really hard on it today. And I see it happening already because of the 20% day. That's the only reason why. And even though, see right here, the MACD, we're on the peak of the cycle, and then nothing's conforming because of the heavy attacks. Yeah, I believe they're gonna try and reverse this momentum. And if that happens, oh shit, maybe 27, around 27. It honestly depends, man, because it really is, because this is strong right now here too at 28.10, but this is pre-market. See, look at 28. Look at that, twice bottom yesterday on a heavily. Look at that, heavy day of attack, consistent from open to close. The attack happened. They only let it run between 2:30 and 2:30 onwards, around power hour. They let it run. And I don't even think they let it run. I think they just were using the continued similar attack, and they just let the shorted shares run out. They didn't want to borrow more, so they let it run back up. And that's it. But look, they still hit it hard right before close. See these two lines right here? Exactly duplicate, range, everything. The same algo pattern of short laddering. It's the same one. Right here, see? Exact length, height, everything. Angle, literally the same. And you see it, how it curves up and away from it. It's just, you cannot deny patterns, and you cannot deny the fact that this is controlled by algorithms. And that's what's disgusting. So I know for a fact, they know what the price is going to be right now. They know what's going to happen today. They know any particular point what price is going to be. Literally, right to the exact T. And people think, no, well, whale's going to change everything. Like, first of all, no. And anytime a whale buys, their orders are processed to the dark pool. So, no, it doesn't reflect the lit exchange. And that's why it bugs me. All these retail people, these ape mentality. We're holding and buying. We're going to push the price up. We set the price. Right? Like, I honestly want to punch the fucking teeth out of someone that tells me that again. If anyone says that to me in my face, we control the price. First of all, I'm setting 1 million on the floor. I'm like, bang! Knock his fucking teeth out. Like, shut the fuck up. You're so diluted. Do I have to knock your teeth out to wake them up? Like, fuck, probably. It'll never be $1 million a share. I can put my life on it. It never will be. It's impossible. Come on. And anyone that's gonna push that narrative, regardless, they're not being realistic. They're not being a realistic. And as a human being, I don't care. Don't go referencing the law. Don't reference this. No, because you can't do that. You know? You can't. Because that's not what's happening. The law's not coming into effect. So until that happens, then talk about milling the floor. You know? That's reality. But for now, we just talk about price action. Because I'm just concerned about 30 to 40 range. Like, because I want to get the fuck out of this bullshit by $40. Which is, I believe, will be a godsend if it even gets to $40. I'll be honestly. I think they have this pinned under 30. Really do. Like, I just see what's up. There's no way we're getting back that FOMO. History does not repeat itself. People are like, this is the rat race, man. And I see how the investors are with scared money in a dying market. People aren't going to play long term, and man, everybody's moving their money quick. In, out, in, out, in, out. Winning trades, in, out, in, out, in, out, and that's it. And prove me wrong. Look at the fucking SPR, SPY. Let's go. SPY, SPDR, SPY, which is, here we go. You know, we're doing a little recovery, but we just had a crash, man. We're just getting out of the crash, and people are in denial of this. Look, it's still there. It's still in the crash. Look. Can you not? It's so clear as day. The line is here. The line is there. You know what I mean? We're here. It flattened, man. It flattened after it hit 470. Because the market conditions won't allow it. They're not going to allow it. What do you mean? Like, the whole fucking people realize, look at that. Look at that. I should have fucking got out here this time, but you see, I had my chance, bro. This is when, but I held on because of stupid me, because of November earnings and all the hype and blah, blah, blah. Well, I'm stupid. It's my fault. It's okay. And don't let people say markets don't affect AMC, negative beta. Like, shut the fuck up. AMC went down here just because the market went down too. Okay, there's no way of fans on butts. It does follow the fucking market. Like, these fucking dummies, fuck. And I hate YouTubers, man. They're all full of shit. All full of shit. That's why I will never listen to one again, except the ones that are being honest, like that show their portfolio. You know, I don't. Then how can I not believe someone's showing me his plays? That's his play. That's his money. And if you show it to me, I believe you. Absolutely. Then I know that I'm not looking at the YouTube and they're pushing out YouTube content for those views and for that subscribe button. You know what I mean? Then I know, not for that super chat, right? You know what I mean? Like, this motherfucker's saying he's giving it to charity. Let's see. Let's see what amount is given to charity and what he collected. Let's see the truth, bro. And he's doing it anyways because he doesn't care. He's getting views, and it's all like it's a reverse psych, man. He's just doing it for anyways, man. You know what I mean? Come on. And you know what? Like, trust me, if you ain't growing with being honest, you're not gonna keep doing it. Like, look, I used to do it, right? Because I honestly thought it could grow, but you see how far honesty gets you? People don't want to hear negative on this. They want to hear, all they want you to do is stroke their fucking ego and make them think that their money is sleeping in a nice pillow, right? They want to have comfort. They want that emotional support. So they're going to throw you $5, $10, and then just to hear you say, don't worry, it's going to squeeze. And you're going to be like, oh, more money, I'll give it to you tomorrow. But then, and then it goes down, then you'll be like, why is it going down? Oh, don't worry, spring. Accumulation, spring, Wyckoff theory. Fractals. It's coming this week. It's coming tomorrow. Oh, no. It's just extended. Next month. Next month comes back. No, next month. Oh, no, next month. No, next month. It's been like that since June. And these dummies still haven't fucking figured it out. Like, come on, man. I've been in denial for 6 months. I only figured it out now. Like, come on. I know. It's hard. When you got that much, it's hard. To like, when you lose that much also, it's hard. It's hard to get out of that denial. I'm not going to deny. I'm making fun of what I am. So, you know, that's me. I don't give a fuck. I'll be real, man. I don't give a fuck. I'm making fun of myself. Yeah, I'm a dummy. I was a dummy. I was one of those dumbass apes. I was really had an ape mentality. And that's why. That's why these people want to call themselves ape. Go ahead. You're just as dumb. You're just as dumb then. Be a fucking ape. And these guys are laughing all the way to the bank, driving in their Lambos, fuck. While the apes are dreaming about Lambos, but they're not even, they won't even afford bus passes at this point. You're holding on to over 60, 70% losses from all-time highs. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? The average of shareholders is 43. Look at the price, what it is now. What? Are you, like, if I never put a penny in this and I was just an analyst, listen, I'm not going to shit you. I would rag the shit out of AMC. I'm not going to kid you. Like I rag the shit out of Hood. I love going to Hood and just rag it. Look at this piece of scumbag shit. Dump. Look. Robin Hood, this piece of dump shit. Look at the $18 stock. Can you imagine this shit? Was that like fucking, what was it at? I was so happy to see. Look at that, it hit $85. Folks, it's gone to the bottom. And for anyone to say this is gonna recover, they're so stupid. Look, how are you gonna recover? Look at the graph. Look at this. This is a straight downhill plummet. There's no recovery in between, barely. And look at even the recoveries were always lower highs. Look at it, lower high. What a dumpster fire. But imagine if you shorted this fucking stock from 85 bucks. You're loaded right now. You're loaded. You know what I mean? You're killing it. Look at these guys always making money, the puts. All the way down to nothing. Anyways. This guy's not going to be happy. He's like, I bought a call for January 22nd. MACD crossing of daily find seems to have bottomed. And then I wrote this. Thinking of doing some fair market plays and shorting this till it's delisted. Who's with me? Fucking garbage. And look at Tesla. This is what you call real stock. You know, although it's struggling now because the market's recovering, and you know, but here's another piece of shit that I lost money on. I'm gonna have to keep putting my shit here. This is the pump and dump Trump stock. People get triggered when I write this comment too, like really triggered, but it's not that bad. Because I'm just, you know, the comment there with the religious comment, Father, why have you forsaken me, right? When Jesus is on the cross. And then obviously, after he goes, when his last words was, it is finished. Well, if you think about it, you can look at this comment as two ways, negative and positive. So the negative way to look at it is like, it's done, it's dead, and it's over. And that's why he's saying it is finished, spelled like this. But if it's not like this, then basically it's saying, okay, look, it's like Jesus got crucified on the cross, he's got killed, and then he's going to be resurrected. So the price got murdered all the way from $20 to $33, and you know, it'll pump back up, resurrect hopefully back to 20. So it's two ways to look at it. I mean, shit. But a lot of people look at the negative way. I don't know why, man. Like, shit. Like, calm down. Calm down. Shit. Oh, man. This is sick, bro. People like my delisting comment on Hood. They want to join in and short it to the fucking net ground. Okay, on the daily it looks good. Let's see on the 4 hour. This is when I think things start getting a bit ugly. Was it the 50 MA line or the 200? Let me see. Yeah. See, on the date of December 1st, we officially went into, on the 4 hour time frame, we went into the negative, what's called the death cross, which is opposite of the golden cross. No one's going to talk about this because why? They're scared. Every YouTuber, they're not going to talk about this. Not one will. And I'll tell you why. Because they don't want to let people think it's going to go down. They don't. Because it's going to hurt their views. It's going to hurt my channel. Like, go subscribe on Fortnite, kid. You know? This is a big man's fucking channel shit. And finances, you know? Like, kid. Get back on Twitch, fuck. You know? Get the fuck back on Twitch, kid. You know what I mean? Like, shut the fuck up. Stay in your basement, you know? Let mommy tuck you in and fucking boyfriend fuck mama behind your fucking daddy's back, you know? Because that's the soft kid they are. Anyways, aside from that, the truth is, look at 50 MA crossing down over the 200 moving average, which is called the death cross, opposite of the golden cross. And this is one of the biggest trend indicators. You cannot defy this. You cannot. I don't give a fuck. There's not one time. Okay, show me anybody that says it doesn't work, because those are the dumbass apes that are manipulated. Okay, they're just taking Kenny D dick all day long, and they don't even realize what's happening. Imagine getting raped in your ass and then thanking, and then like the guy's mocking it in everyone's face, and then you're like, you're gonna go to jail while you're getting like your butt raped. Like, come on, man, come on. That doesn't make sense, you know? No one like that's what's happening. He literally took everyone's money from 72 tops from June, and not only that, he did it slowly. He's doing it every day, like slow bleed. It's not like he did it. Oh, I pulled a slick one on you guys. You know? No, he didn't. He did this fucking across 6 months. That's what's so sick about it. That's what's so sick about it. And that's where I realized psychology plays off. The human mind is so resilient that a move like this solidifies the denial because it's going so slow every day across months that people can't believe it. Like, me too, I couldn't believe it. I was just like, no, it's not going to keep going down. No, like day 30. No, it's not going to keep going down. Day 60, day 80. No, it's not going down. You know what I mean? Like, but motherfucking shit, I look at my bank account and I'm like, oh my God. I just kissed $50,000 goodbye. $50,000. You know? So trust me. These people that don't want to talk about bearish TA, it's because they're full of shit. In fact, this has been nothing but bearish TA since June, July, if you look at it. And look at this on the 4 hour. This has been in the bearish channel since November 5th. It hasn't changed. We got the breakout here, sure. And that only came out after the 17th. Sure. And, you know, is this something to get all excited about? No. It broke back to get rejected under the lowest fucking level, where it got rejected off a 30 fucking ceiling. And this 30 ceiling solidifies on a daily the double bottom post June. Like right here. Look right here. This is the lowest of the lowest, and we sank beneath it. So how is that good? This is another descending channel out of other descending channel here. See? This is the second layer of descending channels that they had planned here. So what do you think these guys give a fuck? They're relentless. They're gonna drive this to $10 if they could. They will. but they're not going to because it's costing them too much, and they're like, you know, it's not worth it for us, and we're losing the OI in the options chains. So it doesn't make sense for us to keep driving it under $10 or $15 or $20 because the accumulation is not coming back that like we wanted, you know. Even though everyone's buying, we're buying the dips. Shut the fuck up. If you actually look at the numbers, half these people aren't buying dips, man. They're not. They're fucking broke ass. They got all their money in here. That's why they're just saying it to encourage other people to do it. Otherwise, they would allow it, okay? They would allow it to rise up a bit more, but they're not. Plus, they're parking orders and they're routing it through the dark pools. They're not going to let it rise ever. So if they would, we'd have a lot more volatile movement since June. It'd be up and down, up, like, you know what I mean? It'd be like really moving. But look, it's priced in. 40 was the real value after the pop. And now 30 is the real value after the pop. But not pop, drop. I might add. Drop. And that's what you're going to get. Because after every pop or drop, you're going to get what's called a consolidation period. What is a consolidation period? Is to get the priced in value of the current stock action, price action, the current stock value. And how you're going to get it is by weighing the supply pressure with the demand pressure. You understand? And working that out into a, but they alter that. And this is the funny thing, since this is one of the more manipulated stocks, they're going to alternate to their benefit. So what is their benefit? Their benefit is to drive this to the ground and route all the differences and the momentum of this, which would, if this is realistically trading on a fair exchange, on the lit, everything on the lit, I'm not going to kid you, this would be trading at around $180 now, more. I know for a fact. But this is what it is, man. And being like this, did you see that, what I said about the rejection? Look at this. It moved up a bit higher than the last. Not enough, though. Only 5 cents. And then it's still inside this rejection box range. And it's lower than 30. So what does that show me? Nah, the pressure's strong today. And we proved it with the Stonko tracker. We proved it with the amount of shares bought. Interest going down also. Everything's working on their favor. I don't know what people are saying. That's why the Gasparino tweeted it. It's called rub it in our face. Create anger, resentment, and frustration to hopefully have people exit their positions. And a lot are going to do it today, promise you. Watch. And the reason why is because a lot of people don't want their money in the markets. It's not just AMC. It's going to be overall. And we're going to see it right here. We're going to see it right here. Maybe I'm wrong. Boom. We're still in the recovery. And look, I don't know, man. This has to play into effect. AMC has to push today because of this. And if it doesn't, which I believe it won't because of the heavy suppression, heavy bull shorted numbers, negative beta is not going to work. All that crap. No. This is what's happening today. They're gonna really try and fuck it. I really do see it. This is their game plan. Christmas is around the corner. This makes only sense right now. I mean, you got to think. What would you do if you're evil and a piece of shit? Well, I want me. If I was a piece of shit like him, it's easy. It's all about money at all costs. So what do? You be the Grinch of Christmas. What are you gonna do? You're gonna bring this to the lowest fucking value it's ever been. In fact, out of the entire year, you're gonna pick pre-Christmas as the day to fucking short this, the worst possible stock in the market. And I believe because of that, we could be setting up for a huge red day. Like at least 10%. And that wouldn't even be that bad because that's just a little bit of retracement from the 20% jump the other day, right? So, I will see. We'll see. I don't want that to happen, but I really do feel it. And they're not going to allow it. Even though there's a lot of buying pressure. A lot of people are dumping in right now. It's still trading above the VWAP. Order flow. Oh dear. Already the narrative's been set, bro. Although this is not always a clear indication, but still. What a dumbass. Aaron Adams wasn't lying to us, guys. Shut the fuck up. Of course he did. He sold at the peak, and everyone's left holding the bags. He got out at 40, you dumb fucks. Look at the stock now, okay? If he's a fucking real fucking hero, he wouldn't have sold shit. But he's a piece of shit. He's a greedy cocksucker. Greedier than anybody else I've seen. Actually, Elon's pretty greedy too. Because you heard about Elon. He sold a chunk out and he rebought in. He purposely got himself a deal to make more money at the retailer's expense. Right now, Tesla should be trading at 1,500, but it's not because of that big sell-off. You see what I mean? Everything's so scammy, man. The world is so scammy, man. We're fighting against the 1%ers, man, and we all think they're the good guys. I mean, not we think. I shouldn't even say that. The manipulate the sheeple think they're the good guys. They're all bad. All those people on top are bad. Oh man, I might make some fucking bacon and eggs now, bro. But you know what? I'll keep streaming if this interests you, man. I'll keep it running, bro. Just for you, bro. I don't care, because otherwise it doesn't bother me. So I can just cook and do both. I don't even have to change the titles. I can just, oh no, I did. Oh fuck. How does that work? No, oh yeah, here. How do I do that? Gee. Oh yeah, I'll look at here.
My buddy did.
Oh shit, I don't even know how to do it. Yeah. Oh yeah, here. How come my category is weird? Yeah. Folks. Oh, I better turn off the game. Oh, I did turn it off. No? Yeah, I did. Bacon and eggs, bro. Fuck. Folks, are we gonna turn... We shouldn't. It's not healthy. But at the same time, damn. I mean, man, God is good, man. If he can keep me from Corona, I'm sure he can keep me from fucking bacon. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay, let's see on a more solid situation. 1 hour. We're still looking good on the 1 hour. Are we looking good on the 30-minute? Not bad. See, we're looking good up until the... up until... Even the 4 hours looking decent. I mean, it'd be the... Shit. honestly, it's still looking good overall. I mean, I'm not gonna deny that. It looks bullish right now because of the big correction yesterday, and you see it drop down even though they fucking hammered it. I feel like, look, it showed a solid level of support here. Like I said, 28 is a good bottom. It's been a solidified bottom since June, first of all. So yes, I believe this was I don't know, man. This is like, it's crazy. If people aren't shaken out by this, then you know I don't know what these hedges are thinking. If you're gonna keep it at 20, then they might as well just say fuck it. Just put it to 10, then put it to fucking 8, then, you pieces of shit. But they can't. They tried to. I know they did, but this is the best they could get out of a bad situation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 days of hell. That's what they did. And you can't go lower than that. That's really... The break point was there. Now it's been on this vertical channel, if you notice, since, from the bottom. Look at this. Look at this, folks. Look at this. This is not just a bullshit trend line that just looks pretty. This is, first of all, it's on the 30-minute. Second of all, we have 3 touch points and more. And even more suspicious is, look, when the bottom here is reached, it's hugging the line and ascending with it on the 30-minute. What does that mean? If it respects this trend line, which I guarantee it will, it could still close red today, as you can see here. If this closes around here, it could still be red. It could still be red. But I don't think so. It's going to push up. Compression to apex. Okay. Let's just show this. Oh my God. Okay. Let's just do it like that. Boom, boom. Oopsie. Come on, man. Can't see. We have a situation here. As you can see, on the 30-minute, and I'm going to have to post this because I know I post negative, but, you know, I have to post some positives too. And here's the most positive thing. Let's see on this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Miniature bow flag happening on the 1 minute. It still has that same thing. Compression to apex too. Triangle or wedge almost pattern. Pendant pattern on the flag. It's respecting it even on 1 minute, 30 minute. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. This is crazy shit could happen today. The market was fucking tanked because it was a very big drop off the other day. It wasn't our fault. There's a market affecting it too. And that day too. So right here, this is the market day. So this is a continuation of the market red being red. And this was an after effect. For some reason, negative beta kind of worked here. I don't know why it still dropped yesterday. I think that's for their psychological factor because it was too much of a run here. So they wanted to break people's sentiment, and they did it by heavy shorting it, break it down. A lot of paper hands too, because people don't want to keep their liquidity before the holidays. And it's true, why would you? So pull out your fucking money. And it tanks because of that too. And because of that, I don't think there's going to be a lot of buy pressure today. And the narrative's already being set, as you can see here. I believe today's going to be, I said it's going to be a green day on my charting there, but realistically, I think it'll be a red day because of they control it, man. They're controlling it, and they're setting the narrative. And the fact that the Gasparino tweet was just yesterday, like what the fuck? Yesterday is what, 23rd or 22nd? Nah, man. Listen, look, they're playing it out exactly to the T. Time frame. Everything's with time frame. Let's see. Good news means bad price action. Like best earnings report for the post-pandemic means the biggest drop. You know, so it's not fluke that this is happening. This negative channel, which is huge. Look how long it lasted for. We just broke out in only 1, 2, 3 days. Like now we're back being pushed back into a consolidation range. Well, that's gonna be nasty as fuck. And if that happens, look, let's just show how much percentage we can look at lowness we can get. Oh fuck! Now I have to delete all. Okay, fine, delete all. Let's see how low we can get here. And we're on the daily here. Yeah, see, my numbers are exactly what I just said. I didn't even have to put this up. Remember I said it could go back to 25, 26? Well, that's exactly 61.8. Exactly. And it's, look, is it going to head there? I don't know. Sure does look like it, though. And then also, let's see these other patterns now. This could be fulfilling the good news. Okay, here's the good news. On the daily, this is an inverse head and shoulders. So right now we could be fulfilling the right shoulder part. Well, inverse that is. And if that's the case, okay, look, it's gonna go down. But usually the neckline will stay the same on a positive inverse, that is. So neckline is here. Let me go here. Fuck. We are in the neckline right now. So this is critical. You see, that's why every fucking day is critical. Even today, right now, it's so critical. I'm not gonna look at these only bullish fucking TA YouTuber guys, okay, which is 99.9% of them full of shit, okay, because they're probably doing it to pump up their options and behind everyone's back. And of course, you don't think I would do the fucking same thing, but I don't have options, and I honestly like to play both ways. But at the same time, I just hold shares and I don't give a fuck. I cut in and I'll cut out. I'll take a 50-50 on this. Oh, I'll look like 50 scalp, 50 fucking hold. Like, I don't give a fuck. Like, it doesn't make a difference, you know. I don't care about the names or people. Like, shut the fuck up. There's no cause in this shit. There's no cause. We all want a fair market, and if we are gonna think that way, then you know it can't be with money, not by how we holding and buying and being screwed. No, because the truth is we're getting screwed, and the market makers are laughing all the way to the bank. I mean, I want reform. I want a fair market, and the things that need to happen is the SEC needs to step in. Laws have to be implemented. But first of all, they're dirty. The SEC is paid. They're fucking all those FTDs that are being fines of millions. That's the way of the SEC saying, hey, thank you very much. Envelopes being passed. Everyone's dirty and everyone's all cool because everyone's making money except for the retailer. So that's why this is getting away. Also, look at what's her name there? That freaking Nancy Pelosi. Her and her husband, man. They're all in part of inside trading, man. They're like all part of that shit. It's so sick. And they're okay. They're allowed. I mean, it's so sick. But one thing's funny is criminals still fuck criminals, bro. And that's why just because Nancy Pelosi has holdings of AMC doesn't mean it's going to go up, you know? You know? And a lot of whales are caught. A lot of whales have this at 30 to 40. A lot of people are caught, man. They're not, you know. Hey, like I said, we don't know. All I know, in terms of the long term, like squeeze or no squeeze, I'm not even going to think that. I'm just thinking there's going to be a nice push up second week January to the end of January because of the options coming to fruition, open interest, the IT in the monies, and also the delta hedging that will result from that. Absolutely will come into fruition. There's more calls than puts anyways, the ratio. We see what's up, you know? So till then, I don't know. I don't know what they're going to do. But they already reached 20. So if you guys, you know, realistically, we're in that spot right now. Look, if it does the shoulder, okay, boom. It'll drop into as low as the neckline, which would be, what, the bottom of 28, let's say. 28 is the lowest it should go. And if it goes lower than that, then it's kind of this whole freaking TA is done. It's no good. But if it does respect that and then bounces, then boom, this is the right shoulder to push upwards. And usually if it's like inverse head and shoulders, it will come back to this range here, where this part of before it trailed to the left shoulder. So I hope, because if that's the case, we got a good strong push and outlook that will respect this trend line also here, to push it all the way back to the 40 range. I mean, I'd love that. And that would be a gift. And that would be happening way earlier than expected. And that's way before. And imagine what it's going to do for the delta hedging, too. Options in the money for the 40 calls. Woo, everybody's going to be laughing all the way to the bank before their shit expires. You know what I mean? We're going to see big numbers, man, in the options. Big numbers, like ridiculous because of the change. Like, see here, the percent change. We're not seeing it yet because it's not open yet. But once that opens, and we did see a change, like from the other day, shit was going down again. Calls were getting burned. Except on Friday, calls were making money. Like, dude, if you had calls, bro, I'm not fucking shitting you, bro. With only like you would have made oh man, you would have made a killing with only a couple $100. That's all. You'd make thousands off a couple $100 because it went up that much, bro. But I didn't know. I wouldn't know. You know, who's to know that's going to go 20% up, right? But if you keep buying these options at the cheapest rate, with the cheapest strikes, and not even buy it close, you buy it like out of the money, far term. Like right now, you buy these options here, like February, right? And look, you go for the 30 strikes in February. Yo, I have a good feeling with these, bro. Because already with the January ones, I'll wait till this opens up. We're going to see it more, the open interest. See? 30 strike, open interest. Watch. You're going to see it, man. There's a reason for these here sitting far back. Out of the money, far back. Like, well, now it's in the money, but you know what I mean? They expire way out. And that's the way you can safely do it. And then also when you're coming near expiration, I heard, I'm not sure because I never did this myself, but I heard you can roll over the options, right? You can extend it, roll it over till next month or something. Roll over the expiries. But I don't know how it affects your value after. I'm not sure. I think it affects all this shit. I'm not sure exactly how though, but who cares? As long as you're not losing your fucking money and they liquidate and take your premiums, right? So, but it makes it dangerous, bro. Like right now, is it like we're already near the bottom, right? Honestly, like the bottom could be is 20, okay? But we're already near the bottom. We're already on the official triple bottom on the daily post June, which is that 28 figure. And that's after the big run up. So this is a crucial area we're in right now. Crucial. If this can't hold right now, exactly this price target, if it can't even hold and we're just going to open and just flush downwards, it's garbage, yo. Like, what do you think's going to happen? It's garbage, yo. It's not going to... There it is. Fuck off. I knew it. Fuck! Man, I should have fucking sold. Now it's too late. Yep, it's too late, man. I'm not going to sell now because this is the range. Unless it's going to go another $2, which... Then I have to sell right now still. But right now I had my chance, man. I wasn't paying attention. I didn't think it's going to hammer. Ah! See, bro? I missed it. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Done. Later. See, this is the candle I had to sell on right here, bro. Now for me to sell here, I don't know, man. It's too deep in the water for me to do it now. If I'm already here, I might as well wait till to get to 27 then. Even. It doesn't matter, you know what I mean? Now the range is too tight. I had almost a 80 cents range here. Fuck. Okay, what's going to happen now? What's going to happen now, folks? It's still going down. Oh, they're hammering it the fucking hell. It's going down. Yep. But could this be the day like the other day? Look. Look at this the other day. Excuse me. No. No, it's not. Sorry. Fuck. Oh, wait, like this? No. No. Anytime it opened that low, it ends up going low. Yeah, it's low. It's low. Low. Oh, shit. Can it be like this today? Oh, shit. Very possible. 27 to 22. Yes, it's possible. I'm gonna be ready to sell right now, actually. Oh, fuck me. Yeah. Because of this, look at this. This is the bottom. Is it gonna go under this? Oh man, if it is, yeah, I should get out of this. But then it could snap rebound, will it? I don't want that to happen. Shitty volume too, bro. Shitty volume. It's not. No. Let's see, the options chain. What are they going to bring it to? we gotta bounce. We gotta bounce. Wait, before I type that. Yes! Just when I was gonna write the negative confirmation, we had a little. Well, no, that's not good. Why? No. 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 It's fake out and I'll, oh no. Decent. Okay, because look at the long wick above this candle, which means heavily shorted short pressure. Sell pressure. Sorry, sell pressure. Now what does this candle mean? See, no wick on the bottom, only a wick on the top, even though it's a green. But that wick is tightening up. Let's push it for a full candle close. That'll be nice. If it has a full candle close, then we're going to show more of a bullish outlook. Come on. But if it keeps withering away like it is now, see how the wick is extending and the body's going smaller and smaller? Okay. Fill it, you dirty whore. Fill it. Like the cum fucking dumpster guzzler you are. There it is. There we go. You have to talk to it like that. Fucking shit. You dirty whore. Okay, there. That's right. That's right. You cum guzzler. Open wide. Open wide. Take it. Take it. And there it is. Wow. Okay. Smaller wick. Smaller wick. We're going to get the close. Ooh wee, ooh wee 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 wee. We're getting it. You see how close the sellout was, and imagine if I got that order in here. I'm fucked. I'm right now. I'm like, oh wow, okay. That means I'm either fucked. I can't get back into this, or I'll have to wait, and then wait till the entry. Hopefully the price will back down. And if it doesn't, then what? I'm fucked. I'm gonna cost myself just to get back into position. It doesn't make sense. So I think it's better to play it out either way. Like now it's near the bottom, man. That's why. Oh God, there we go. There we go. Turn on the short prints again. E-print it. Let's go. Let's run it. And that's what they did. They're like, hey, give them a little hope. Take it away again. Take it away. No, it's not true, is it? Let's just see. No, I mean, no. Let's just not say anything. We don't know. We don't know. How it reacts off this bottom is so important. This is very important. This right here, and it's yeah, there it goes. It's just done. Actually, maybe not. Higher low. Higher low. Let's close it higher low. And then after that, let's give us a long wick here. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. No wick off the top. That's good. We're being held down right now for sure. This is not natural order flow, that's for sure. This is called manipulated price action. Absolutely. Fuck. Fucking pieces of shit. See? They're gonna let a fucking false candle print, making you think it's gonna go up, and it's really gonna go down continuously. Yeah, I'm already. There you go. There you go. I'm already there. My prediction's already there without even saying it. Man, what the fuck? What a piece of shit stock. Piece of shit. this shit every fucking day. Cocksucking shit. Yep. Yep, they're taking it all back. Yeah, might as well fucking sell it off. Cocksucking shit. What a fucking joke, this stock, man. What a joke, man. What a piece of shit, you guys. This fucking cocksucking. They allow the market makers to do this is a joke, man. Look at this. Ah, man. What a joke, guys. God damn it. Fucking jeez. God damn it. Now I don't know what the fuck. Is it gonna even recover today? Is it gonna like fuck? What a fucking joke, man. Can't even, I just want 30. I want to get the fuck out of this now. It's just not, it's dead. It's dead in the water, man. It's ever since. Fucking got it. Yep. See? He's saying it. His puts. And look, anyone making puts, they're so fucking killing it. Not yet, but they will be soon. It's gonna convert soon, watch. By noon, this shit's gonna be like in the green, watch. See? All these calls that used to be green, they're all converting now. They're all getting wiped out. Yeah, watch, it's gonna get wiped out. Pieces of shit. Fucking market, man. What a scam fucking stock. It's just no way possible this is going up today. But is it gonna do the stupid shit that it usually does? I don't know. God damn it. Jeez. Sinking ship. What a joke. Oh dear. Is it over, folks? Is it over? What a joke. Stinking. Eesh. Jesus. Jesus. It sucks, man. It really does. It's like all this money is just fucking tanking, bro. God damn it, man. Such a joke, fuck. Such a joke. And they tell you holding shears. See, this guy has got 35K in calls. He just messaged me. He's like, I ain't worried. Should be, though. Should be. Because his calls might get liquidated depending on his expiries. Stupid whore. Fucking hate this shit, man. Dirty fucking whore. Like, what is this movement? Like, come on, man. It's like a fucking joke. Like, how stupid is it going? Even crazier. Same person that gets up at 4 and 9:30 sells shares does the same thing. The game, like, shut the fuck up. You know it's crime and manipulation. Stop whining. Either do something about it or don't make these dumbass comments. Like, it's like almost as bad as the 1 million is a floor comments. Like, fuck. Melt up from the head and shoulders, they said. Yeah, melt down. Nope. You know? Fuckers. Yeah, I might as well sell it all out. Fuck it. I don't have to look at this shit anymore. It's just done, man. Like, look at this where it's hanging. It's like, what a joke. Am I gonna just like turn my head, ignore the day, and it's gonna be a minus 8-10% day again? Like, probably will be. Like, that's why I don't know, man. It's like so tight right now, but god damn it, dollar or something on fucking Jesus. Yeah, it's going fucking piece of shit. Jesus Christ, you fucking shit. Yo, man, I just lost. Yeah. Yeah, it's everything gone, man. You're just fucking solid, man. God damn it, all this. Wow. I just lost like another $2,000, bro. It's like, it's so fucking sick. Like, I don't know, man. It just doesn't end. Yeah, there's no point in all this, man. I can't believe I couldn't even get a fucking sell point up here, man. God damn it, it just fucking keeps dripping to the shit. No, what the fuck? No. Yep, it's done. Piece of shit. Yep. It's not finished dipping. Jesus, cocksucking. Is this gonna keep tanking? Yeah, well, wow. Take it all away then. God damn. Yep, market's done again. Wow, what a goddamn joke, everything. See, this is a fucking lie. Look at my watch list. It's all red yet. Come on. Never gonna look at these it's all manipulated, the entire market. They put a false front, man. It's a fucking false fucking front, man, every goddamn day. Fuck. Yep. Jeez. No. Yep, under, yeah. It's gonna be, fuck. It's gonna be done any second. What a goddamn finished. Yep, it's a negative. Fucking gosh. Yep, it's done. Broke down the neckline. Yep, yep. No way this is a positive. No fucking way. And I guarantee I'm gonna be right. I guarantee it. If anything, I believe it's gonna be a fucking really shit close, maybe 25 close. Quick choke. And now there's an inverse on the MACD. This thing is unpredictable, man. And they got it. They got it. So for them, they're going to keep it pinned under probably 27, 28. They're going to keep it pinned. And then just keep it ranging now between 20 and 28. I see that happen for the next 3 weeks. 20 and 28. That's what it is. Oh. And it's going to be tight. So each day is going to be like what? Fucking like today, 28 to a 26 close or something like that. So it's so tight, $2 low. A little ranging to trick you, and then bang, at the end of the day, you're down. I know. I already see it. It's no difference from what they're doing weeks ago. It's back to this channel right here. See this? It's exactly negative channel forming. Yep. It's going to be another slow fucking ride. I just wish I did it off the open, man. See what I'm saying? I have to listen to my own advice, but you just don't know. And then this fucking curveball, but I wish, fuck, I just pulled it right here, man. Why did I do it, God damn it. They control it, man. They control it all. There's nothing that can beat them. Nothing. These people are literally like God on the fucking stock market. They create the price action. They know what the retailers are thinking. They literally are like God on the stock market. And that's what they do. They fuck with people's minds. They got psychologists. They spend millions and millions of dollars hiring the top psychologists in the world, man, to figure this shit out. And that's why this stock is moving this way, to really ruin everybody's investments and to ruin the holidays. That's what it's meant to do. Create the worst negative sentiment and feeling you're going to get from holding the stock, from looking at it. So there's nothing you can do except avoid looking at it. That's the only thing you can do. And then cross your fingers that during this time, that's going to keep tanking down or bleeding down slowly across the weeks, that it will just not go under 20. And now it's already at the bottom. So it's like, honestly, if you're holding now, there's no difference holding now 20 to 20. I mean 27 to 20. Unless, like, what, you're going to hold on to a couple G's, whatever. You already lost thousands, you know? There's no fucking way. I guarantee you're down thousands because people are at a 43 average. There's no way you're not down, or anyone's not down. I'm not speaking to you specifically. I'm talking like general investors out there. Because most people did not get in before June. I can promise you that. That ape mentality, that shit, that's just a lot of, there's a lot of people invested, yeah, but they're a small percentage. There's only a handful. You know, people think, yeah, we own the float. Like, no, they don't. No, they don't. The numbers are skewed because they have naked synthetics, so no one owns the float. They own everything. And that's the problem that people have to realize. Sucks, but they control it, man. And when they control it, what do you think they want? You think they're going to let us squeeze? No. They already did. That was the controlled squeeze. Getting up to What's that price there? 72. That's the controlled squeeze. And do you think they're gonna let that happen again? Absolutely not. That's why it took a whole year to get there, and it's been a year later. It's not happening again. You know, so. And look at AMC years before that. It was a dead stock. You know what I mean? So do you guys honestly think, or anyone that's invested in this think, this is suddenly gonna get back to 70, even 70, or let alone those magical numbers? No, absolutely not, man. You gotta be realistic. They will lose money if it gets back to that. And do you think they want to lose money? No. The hedges got control of this. They're the greedy bastards. It's heavy duty shit, man, and there's nothing we can do about it. It sucks, but that's just the way it is, man. I hate it. Hate it, but hey. I have to break down roaches, man. That's how fucking pissed I am. And this shit solidifies my anger. Because I just don't... The thing is, if I was to get out of this play, see, and even now it's kind of late, I should have got out at the 40 range, and I had that chance last month. It just popped back for a short period right before, actually, no, it was 2 months ago. It was right in the end of October, and right before the earnings, and I had my chance. I should have known. I should have been realistic. I gotta think like them, you know. That's the only way to make it in this. You gotta think like them, or you get chewed up. So most people got in this late, so they're gonna be in the 43 average cost. And that's, and why it fucked up my cost too, because I ended up swinging with half the shit and fucked up my whole average. So yeah, everything got fucked. And it was great until I got caught. I didn't think they're gonna tank it like that. And they did. So, like me, I didn't think. Honestly, no, I really didn't think. But it is exactly like every single stock that will play into the Fibonacci lines. Every stock that hits a peak, they always retrace. There's no doubt, because it's just the way it is. It's the laws of supply and demand. So it hits a peak, it's going to retrace like 50%, 30, all the way to 61.8. You know, it'll go down that low. And those are the usual bounce and recovery lines. We're literally at the 61.8 and actually beyond that from the $72 top. And that's why I say if we don't get a bounce, we're just dead in the water. It's a dead cat. That's what it is. It'll be a dead cat bounce. That's what it'll be officially. We're in, see? They say the golden pocket is the 707, 70.7%. And whatever, man, that doesn't fucking make shit. It's basically the 78.6. That's what it is. That's the real golden pocket, because it's all the way from 61.8 all the way to 78.6. It's right here in this range, as you can see. And it just fits conveniently right under the 61.8, which was at $30 mark. Yeah. And as you can see this drawn out zone. See, that's the first zone. Second consolidation zone, which was heavy and strong, as you can see from this area, and the way the lines are moving. That's a very strong zone. And the fact that we're way beneath these zones means it's gone. See, that means once was there, it doesn't mean we're there right back in a second. No, that means it's gone. This period here, it's done. We're not seeing it again. We're never gonna. Now it's about if the price action allows it, we'll get. Who knows? First, we have to get back to this range before we can get back to their range. And look how much difficulty we've had since the dump. This honestly, I'm just judging it by this on the dailies. It's a dead cat. It's a dead cat. That's what they call a dead cat bounce. Hits a peak, bounce, goes lower, bounce, lower, and then maintaining a lower until it gets back to the baseline eventually. 100% retracement. And look, people were already projecting these numbers were in the cards. I mean, these numbers were in the cards. They were just talking about the gap fill. Look at the gap fill. Gap fill is right here to here. What the fuck? That's a serious gap fill, y'all. Gap fills right here to here. See? Yep. And that's exactly what people are already predicting. It has to fill the gap before it could keep moving on. And look, and why did it bottom out at 20? Well, that just shows the solidarity. It didn't even have the strength to hold this area. It went all the way back to the beginning in January, and it held the peak of that time period, which was at a $20.67. And look, we hit even beneath that. No, we didn't. We hit right at the same point, $20.70. You see, 3 pennies off. So how are we reacting to the second lowest low of the year? I mean, this speaks volumes. You don't need a fucking TA. You don't need nothing. You just have to look at this and look at that and look at where we are now and how it's reacting to it. That's all you need to know. And what I see, it looks ugly as fuck. It looks ugly as fuck. There's nothing. I think this is gonna hang low and keep bleeding till 3 weeks from now. The only time it's gonna go up is because it's gonna naturally go up because of the options and all that shit. Maybe it's gonna help push it. Open interest will rise again because there's a lot in the money already for January 21st, I believe. Hey, this shit. Tired of listening to bullshit TA. All of it's bullshit. Everyone's a liar. The truth is what you see. What you see is the truth. And until you base it on, you look back at the historical points, at the lows and the highs, and that's if you're looking past 2 days, then you're going to have to look at historically the highs and the lows, compare, and then look at it now, and the price action now, which is ugly as fuck. It's hanging at the 78.6, man. It's hanging in the 78.6. And it couldn't hold itself on a rebound from there. Look at this. The negative channel brought it all the way down to a retrace in the 78.6. And look, we're just beginning. We're just beginning, y'all. That's how ugly it is. See how long this period took here? With a little bit of push above it. It was temporary. That lasted only a short 2 weeks. Yeah? You know, right here? Yeah? Well, look right here, bro. This is the sickness. Look how long we're hanging underneath this area now. It's just the beginning. And now what? It's not going to complete the inverse head and shoulders. Like the guy just made it out. I see the fault in it already. Look, see? It broke the neckline. It broke the neckline. How's it going to be a good inverse neck and head and shoulders unless it's already on a descending supporting neckline? What are you talking about? It's going to get to a lower high there no matter what. Even if it does go up, it's going to be lower than this left. So it's a negative. This is a negative. I don't know how fucking people can look at this as a positive. And then what I think, once it gets bounces there, it's going to go up to here probably, reject right around here or here for that descending inverse pattern. And then it's going to pop back down really badly and then settle around here and bounce around. And when it does that, that's going to be a long extended period, I think. If it goes into here and just keeps chilling here, it's going to be like this, drag out another 5-6 months in this area, trading between fucking $17 and $25. Like, really? This is what it comes down to? Possibly, because this is how the dead cat looks. Everyone's saying, yeah, look, it's gonna no, it's showing a breakdowns in pattern. What do you mean? If it can be showing bull flags that are supposed to break upwards to show the bull movement, then why is it not breaking up? It's breaking down. Here's the confirmation. The big pendant, everyone talked about it for 5 fucking months. Well, it broke down. It broke down, and it's not recovering. So I don't know what people are thinking and trying to say. There's no reversal. That's not a reversal. Catching a bottom is not called a reversal. You kidding me? It's just caught a bottom, and then they got rejected off a fucking support line that's supposed to be that became a resistance. Like, you kidding me? This shit's dog water. Except now, because it continued past this here. Let's see if this can drive all the way back up to the VWAP. Let's see. I mean, not VWAP, the 200 moving average, sorry. The 200 moving average. That's critical. This, they manipulate this on the fly. That don't matter. See, right now, even here, based on the VWAP, it's trading above the VWAP, and it wouldn't even be a good entry point. Because why? I don't know. It's just, after this big dump, this is a good buy opportunity here, I think. Nah, see? Rejection. Wow, not even close. Not even close to the 200 MA, and it's just got rejected. Oh boy. Oh boy. Fucking bitch. What a joke, man. Oh shit, look at this. Okay, so here we go. I bet you, I'm surprised I even have viewers, because usually if I'm gonna talk like the bearish sentiment and the TA on this shit ever, people usually just run, man, or they get toxic, or they I don't blame them, you know. No one wants to hear reality. Truth hurts, man. It does. Even me, I have a hard time facing it, you know. But I know one thing's for sure. These guys are having a hell of a fucking Christmas on us. That's for sure. They made a killing. For what we lost, which is like from the top 72, 74 all the way to 27, which is over 65%, almost 70%, about 70%, I believe, yeah. 70% drop. That's, they're doubling that in gains. So they're like probably 150% in gains. I'm serious, man. They leverage all their, every position you think of, they got a counter position. That's how they have more call options and put options than the entire motherfucking float. Yet the apes, oh, let me rephrase that. Yet the blinded retail investors think, we own the float, we own the float. Oh yeah, we got it, we set the floor. When all they're doing is spinning their own false narrative. So in the end, look who looks dumb, you know? The ones that making the money or the ones losing money. And then these people have the nerve to say, no, we're in the win. We're winning. How are you winning? Look at your fucking PL. Look at your fucking PL, man. And I can promise you, I can promise it, you're in the red. Because how do I say, how can I confidently say that? Because cost average is 43. Average cost is 43. And what is it trading at? 727. Everybody's a fucking loser. A bag holder is the proper term. But even worse, a misled bag holder. And that's where I feel so shocking. Like the only people talking truth about the stock you notice, or even the ones trying to push positivity and whatever crap, even if they're false narrativing it, is because they have option calls on this stock. Tell me I'm wrong. I know I'm not wrong. Okay? I know I'm not wrong. I'm probably the only motherfucker talking the truth about this shit because I'm holding the stock. And I see the negatives. I see the losses. But the manipulation also is there. Look at, in this short time frame, they ladder attack this to bring this all the way down here to this false order flow distribution to live up to it. I knew it was going to be a red day because they already set this up. But we had little signs of, like, look, the 28 bottom, which was the official bottom at the post-June, which is a solid one, aside from the double bottom at 20. This is the triple bottom. Now, the triple bottom at 28, it has to be significant. It has to be, because you cannot disregard ever the historical trends of the highs or the lows. You cannot. They're priced in. It took months and months to price those values in. You think it's just going to magically appear again? No. There's strong resistance or strong support areas in zones because of the previous pressures that's been verified and confirmed to and consolidated into across time. It caked in the value, regardless if it's manipulated or not. It's just caked in there. And that's where options come into play. See? Bam. Look at this. Did I not talk about options today? Look at what I just said. Like imagine if you did call options today because look, even though it looked negative, you know, it looked like it was going to be a put day. It looked like people are going to be, no, you buy your fucking call options for this week, 23rd strike date, right? And even though it's risky, because worst comes to worst, if it goes bad, you roll them over, man. You roll it over. Hopefully, I don't know how that works, but you can extend it, roll it over. If not, look, you're exercising your options right the fuck now. You'd be happy with 100% gains, man. Fuck it. You'd be damn happy. You know what I mean? Oh no, whoops. Those are the put options, guys. Whoops. I was right. I mean, it was the put options. Yeah, puts are printing again. You see? They liquidated the puts last Friday, which was a curveball. You see, these guys, they don't give a fuck. They'll clean out anybody. If you're not on their side, which is the winner side, then you don't know what their plays are going to be. See, that was the biggest curveball, because out of 10 previous Fridays, we had eight red closes. You know, like, are you kidding me? So it's natural, because Fridays are the expiration dates for the options every week, and normally they're going to meet their OI and in the money and clear out all those out of the money, and whatever their positions are majority holding, they're going to benefit themselves, right? Well, keep in mind, these hedges play both ends, call options and puts. They play both sides. They will leverage to make themselves cover both ends, and even better, they'll manipulate the prices in the dark pools, so no matter the outcome, no matter, they're winning, they're profiting. There's absolutely no way they don't profit. And know how they make us well, if someone profits, someone has to lose, right? Well, that's exactly what they do. They reflect the losses onto the lit exchange. And that's why we're trading at 27. What a joke. When all the catalysts are in place for this to moon, this will go opposite, because they know the money's coming in, pouring in because of the FOMO, increasing volume coming back. So what do? They do the opposite. Take their souls, because they like I said, the devil runs the fucking stock market. So what does the devil do? He wants to ruin our Christmas. He wants to do everything opposite of our positive expectations. So what do we all want? We want to have money. We want to be profiting. It's been a year. Yeah, we get it. So we expect a profit by year's end, which is right now. But guess what? They're going to crash the party. And the truth is, they got control. Otherwise, they wouldn't be trading at this price. Don't ever listen to someone say, we got control. We call the floor. No. Because then ask them, hey, were you one of the lucky ones that got in like in January at under $10 average? You know? Seriously. If not, then you must be one of the $43 average cost dudes who are around there, right? And see their their explanation. Yeah, I seen it, and I don't need to see just this stock. I've seen it on thousands of stocks across the past 2 years, and I'm gonna repeat it. Like, oh, yo, Keith, yo, yes sir. Hey, are you able to get that game, man? It's so sick. I'm gonna hit it up again after. I'm gonna make some breakfast. But yeah, this just pissed me off, man. I thought I was gonna be. It's pointless. You know what? I'm not even gonna look at this the rest of the day till power hour. It might go up, it might go down, but it's gonna be ranging probably at a loss at around -3 to 5% all day. That's what I believe, and that's exactly already it's happening. Yeah, it's at -3, so we'll let it be. And make breakfast, do my things, and oh shit. Well, there's a will, there's a way, brother. I mean, look at me. I'm sitting on broke and not even a penny in my name right now. Everything into all this stupid stocks, and man, I don't know how I did it. Oh yeah, I had a little bit left over that I was supposed to hold for grocery foods and other stuff, but instead I said fuck it. I got the game. But it's worth it, I think. I'll eat crap for a bit, a couple days, you know. But this is bugging me. I'd love to have a realistic interpretation on this, and I think I am pretty much doing it. But this is kind of a curveball, how this has come back halfway there. I think this is going to dip back down to the VWAP, and then, or maybe below it, who knows. It seems to be having way more strength under the VWAP to be held down. So I presume that's its natural trend pattern today, since so far for an hour and a half it's been that way. It broke out a little bit, so if it can't even maintain near the 200 MA. This is an official death cross in effect. Yeah, let's death cross. What a miserable shit, this thing. They want me to have a miserable Christmas, man. Then, yeah, what can you do? And then, look, people are gonna hate me for showing this, but they need to see it. Well, you don't see a fucking... The graph proves it, man. Graph proves it. Fuck. Disappointing. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I hear you, bro. I hear you. Hey, man, look. Why do you think I'm fucking... I had to move, fuck. And I'm renting a shitty apartment, because, you know, this fucking shit-ass stock went for the worst, so what can I say? I had my chance, man. If I did everything I should have done in June, I'd have a big chunk right now. I'd be renting a fucking fat ass house, paid for the year on top of that, and I'd still have a fucking shit chunk to use in the market to play with to keep my money flowing, and I wouldn't be absorbed in only this fucking play. But it fucked me. I got fucked. It's my own fault because I should know, but when you're investing in the market, you're playing against the elites, and they control the narrative, you know. So that's why it's the hardest thing to actually make money and be consistent, unless, you know, you're in part of a bull run market, which was happening up until August. We were in a bull run, man. This whole market actually kind of tapered off a bit in the beginning of the year, but not with other, like, you know, but see, you get all pissed off. I love it. See, they get mad because I just pointed out a fact. It's in a death cross. Like, what do you mean? That's one of the worst fucking indicators, a negative bear trend indicators, that actually works. The golden cross and the death cross are undeniable. You cannot deny the movement of a 50-day moving average over the 200-day. Those are two averages stacked on top of each other and compared to. So, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna hit up some after breakfast, I guess. It's so painful to watch this, like to watch the line on this stock. It's just, it's negative. It's negative, and it's programmed that way. It's not gonna be positive, man. It's not gonna be positive. But day traders and people that are, you know, swing trading, or even if you have your money on this, you should be concerned about the price action, of course. Realistically, I definitely don't see this squeezing. But I want to see how much it's going to push up in second week, third week January, because of all the in-the-money options and the open interest. There's a big concentration of calls with that strike price of up to 40, ranging from the, I think it's the 30 all the way to 40, and those are going to come into effect. Still holding a larger ratio to call to puts ratio. I mean, it's still bullish, that type of, you know. But it's about getting through the rough spots. So I think this could be just 2-3 weeks of being in the shitters, and that's it. Which means look at Hood. Hood's been trading in like fucking 18-20 for like a month. It's done. It's fucking done. No way this is coming, like, you know, like look, that's done. You know. Wow. Yeah, it's done. There's no way. No way. Stocks usually go up in January, though, so this might recover a bit, but for the time being, this thing is like, just graphically on the charts, you see it's done. So what would happen on AMC? Well, let's see on AMC. It looks way better than this, that's for sure, because if you look at AMC compared to this, look, this has been straight down. There hasn't been one movement where see, no, not even level, always lower highs. AMC at least, very down, but then came back up here, down, went back up a bit, down, which now should be the up part, right? It just had the down part, so now it should be the up part. But this up part, is it's going to be this continuation of stepping down? Because look, step, step, step. It looks to be, and that's ugly. Because it's all about the squeeze, right? People, look, volume's here, money got in here, see? But why is it the volume not replicating ever since? Because people aren't stupid. The people that already put in the money and got their volume in here, they got it in good. Half of them are still stuck in here, or half of them kicked out and taken their unrealized and not coming back. You know, like, why would they? They you know how many plays are going on every fucking day, and I missed out on my trading because of this bullshit stock. It fucked my trading up since June, July. That's why I used to be banking every week. Different plays every week. Banking. Now like, fuck, every time I want to bank other plays, I have to take a loss here. You get what I'm saying? I cash out here, take a loss, bank it. Like, it's so stupid. That's why it kind of fucked everything. Like, at this rate, it's like, man. It's like almost point of giving up. I'm taking the loss now and fuck it. Cut out for good. Because, I don't know, man. It doesn't, I don't have time to wait another year. You know. And if it does move again, then I'll just jump back in, you know. But I don't know. Fucking tight. Fuck, boss. Oh, motherfuckers. Yeah. Alright. I'll make some food. Can't watch this line. Alright, y'all. Appreciate it. No, if you're still there, Aaron, but yeah, man, I should be back on after just to fuck around the game. But man, this is. I can't watch a line, man. It's just depressing. It really is. It's like I don't want to just stare at a chart trying to find positive shit. Just trying when the only thing decent is the 20 moving average, which moved a bit over the 50 just before. So we have a little bit of momentum coming back. But momentum for what? To get rejected at 30 again? You know? And then every time it gets rejected, what do you think happens? The people fucking, they see the rejection, the investors see it, they're not going to start piling in their money again, you know, until it breaks past it. Like half the people are going to be like, okay, we'll wait for the dip, or wait for the good entry. So they're going to be aiming low. They're going to be aiming like 20, you know? So it's not going to move, man. It looks to me, yeah, pinned under 30, stuck in the lower channel, ranging as low as 20 to as high as 28, 29. And we're going to see this till what? Mid-January. Fuck. A lot of shit happens in 2-3 weeks though. That's why it's a fucking joke. Oh, here we go. That's a decent one. The fact that it wants to push above this the ceiling here. You can see it wicking over, and the candles look like they're pressing. So there's an opportunity here. It's going to break back to the VWAP, the 200 MA, sorry, and that's what we need. And once it could break above it, at least today close above it. That's asking a lot, man. We're going to ask it to close above 28, 29, back to where we were the other day. So if we can get there and hold that, it makes a big difference for the next week. Big difference. Because we know tomorrow is going to be a 90% sure it's going to be a red day, right? So I believe maybe they're going to have to let it run a bit. Bull trap it, and then tomorrow short it, hit it down. Pin it down. And wipe it up. Collect them premiums. Fuckers. Nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit, Aaron, you probably passed out by now, eh? Shit, yeah. Well, let's see here. Okay. I love it. This is the first time we had a positive outlook today out of this entire fucking day. That's what you call positive. Why? Because look what you see here. That's literally the pattern here is a falling knife. Like it's a dump, man. Whether it's really legit or not, it doesn't matter. It's what is happening. Oh, wow, breakout. See? Even if I sold out before, like what? You're going to get trapped? You know? I had to sell at the beginning. And then when I saw these movements, I have to re-enter right here. Right here. So then I would have been able to add more shares and then be bam. I wish I did that, but I did. You see? So I fucked up again because that's the only way you can trade. You can is by if you're going to hold shares, that is. You can't do anything. Like it's pointless to hold shares in this stock. I'm serious. I believe this stock is just options. That's it, man. You're putting too much risk to trade this, to hold shares in here because, like I said, you look at what happened the other week, last month. You lost 60% in value in this fucking, or sorry, 30% value because there's been a slow bleed since, but in one week. Okay, so like it's too much risk to hold this stock. You don't hold this shit. But options, that makes sense. And now they're gonna reverse Uno card on the puts. Look at that. Yep. Remember this was at 150%. Now it's at 50, and this is slowly climbing back into the green. See? I think options are the way to go, man. You have time to adjust. You can do what you want. You can project longer, and it's safe. Like that's why I believe the second 21st January options are going to be the best bet right now. 14th and the 21st, these two sets here, and most likely do the calls. I believe these are going to be all on the money. Look at them. Even today, look. Right now they're switching over already, and that's way out. And you exercise them when you see them nice and green, and that's it. Then get out of that shit. Bank it and then go. Like, I don't see how it's a win-win. People are losers and jealous when they say, option's gonna hurt your money, it affects the... They have no fucking clue. They're all these whales, all this big money, it doesn't even budge the fucking stock. It doesn't even move it up or down. It's them, the market makers. They control the whole flow. Beautiful. Didn't I talk about that, the 200 MA, how important this is? And now it just rejects off of it, but you see? We've been trading beneath it for quite some time here. Look, all yesterday is trading underneath the 200 MMA and the VWAP. And today's a different day. You see? Today now we're above the VWAP. We're above the, well, we're touching at the 200 MA. Now oh yeah. Tomorrow, eh? Yeah. Oh boy. Yeah. Alright, fuck it. Nice. It's above 200 MA. Finally, this is the first time in a bit, man. Shit. Oh. We'll see. We will see. Alright, yo. Check you later. Oh shit, I gotta leave it open. Oh, you're still there? Nice. I don't know, I mean, I just wanna, you know. I guess I'll just, yeah, fuck it. I'm gonna make something to eat. Oh, maybe I'll keep running the charts, but damn. I mean, I don't want to look at it, the line, man. It's just, it's not gonna do anything for me. I have to keep it in there. Whew, what a sick day. 4 to 5% back to 20. What the fuck, you know? Look at this dumbass. Mo ass. Yep. That's right. Could be a small gamma. See, this guy made it, man. Smart. He sold. He did his $27 puts. What a lucky bastard. See? He waited for his screen again and he got it. He got it. Not these guys. See? It's a fucking dangerous game, man. But they might come through tomorrow, but maybe probably not, because last Friday they made too much of a killing. They're not going to let them win again this week. No way. So tomorrow it's going to be the puts. Watch this. I bet you any money on this tomorrow. These guys are, I don't know which ones, but they're definitely going to be in the money, man. Tomorrow, huge. Watch. We'll see. We'll see what they let it run up, pin it, and then they're going to push it down tomorrow again. And then, yeah, that makes sense. Right now, the guys probably got max value in the options. And that's it, man. Exercised him. That's why he got out. He made his money. Fuck. It's a way to do it. I wish I can play it like that. It's just my fucking account won't allow me to. And then the other account is the one that lets me. But then I realize they won't even allow me to make short trades or call trades unless I hold those same amount of shares in that account with them. It's weird. So it's, I guess it's like a naked or whatever, naked call or naked short, and then when they need to exercise, then they utilize my shares that I have. While if you do it in different brokers, I don't need to. I can use the shares I already hold within like this broker that I have. But anyways, long story short, it's a pain, and I can't do it because of that. And otherwise, I'd be killing it, man. Oh man, I so see it, man. Because the way I see it, I would play calls and puts every week, both. Just, you know, not a big chunk, just a little bit. And all you need is that 1 week, like last Friday when it went up fucking 20%, when you least expect it. Only one time, and you could lose for like 2 months in a row. And all you need is that one time, and you'll make all your money back plus more. Like there's 1,500% gains, man. Sick. Yeah. All right, we'll be back for GTA. I mean, not GTA.